Bull, welcome back to another live. How you guys doing? You guys have a nice little lunch break over there? SPY's coming back down a little bit here. Amy's down at about 3% right now, 50 cents. 1605. It's not like anything we haven't seen before. Lockheed contracts are a little bit down. Oxy's just, the strangle's still green. So let's see what's going to happen with this. Oil's kind of flickering around. Where's oil? 126.67. It's coming up. So it's getting interesting over here. So hopefully you guys are having some fun. Making some money with 1348. There you guys go. So SPY's coming back down here again. I think SPY's going to bleed out until the end of the day. We'll see what happens, though. Let's do a quick Ortex update as everybody's filtering in. And again, guys, if you don't mind, as everybody's filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. We have net borrow on AMC of 57,000 shares. We got 20.84% estimated short interest, 1.23% average cost borrow. Very, very low. And then GME over here, what do we got? What do we have? So net return of 114,000 shares, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense with the price action that we're seeing. 2.78% average cost of borrow, 17.45% estimated short interest. Oxy's being a bit, not really. My strangle's good. I wasn't playing oil direction like one way coming into this week because it's just so volatile and these things, like especially Oxy, like even with oil running, like Oxy's not, it's coming up a little bit, not as much as everybody would have thought though. So it's coming up to like the intraday high, like after the market opened. 121 is looking like where it wants to go. Let's see what happens with it. It can end up going on a moon mission if it really wants to. So let's see. I have the strangle on it. Let's see how it works. I'm going to hold that for a while because I think oil's still going to continue to be volatile this week. And let's see if we can make some big money on it. Have you seen, I haven't seen the new HBO one yet. I saw the Jon Stewart one yet. Paper Hand Your Spy Putin? Not yet, no. Did you say you think the SPY will come back up by the end of the? I think it's going to keep going down. I don't see any reason why it would come back up. The Ukraine talks with Russia aren't going so well right now. That would probably mean Lockheed's probably going to trend out for a little while. Yeah, Lockheed's trying to get this 5-minute MACD crossover here. It's sold off a little bit. The Lockheeds are down. But I have the next week expiration, so they still could be fine. I'm trying out holding some options. Picked up some Verizon $55 calls for Friday. Looks good on every time frame. What are your thoughts? All right, let's take a look. Verizon was a weird one. Like we've seen it happen so many times with these crosses where it like crosses, comes right back down, crosses, comes right back down. Like I was staying away from this one today because one, I just thought the market was going to be kind of like crappy. And now it's just doing these shark fins. So for me, I wouldn't be touching Verizon. I think it's kind of like settled down a little bit, but you never know, man. It could easily start to go up if the market wants to come up, but SPY's looking like it wants to make a new low over here. You made $980 on DraftKings puts today. There you go. US Steel never again. I learned my lesson on Friday. You have learned your lesson today. Look, it looks so good. Here's what we could do though to play Steel. If you guys really want to do it and just mess with everything, what we could do is literally just watch Steel go up and then just buy puts on it. And then we could just play the other side. You paper hand your SPY put. Well, profit is profit after all. Yeah, I have my YOLO put just kind of kicking around. Just tell me I'm pretty. No, Kelby. No, not gonna happen. LMT, how's this looking? Not bad. All right, let's see if that can come back up. Oxy. Oxy's been a crazy one recently. So, Oxy's just kind of been bleeding down the whole day. It's reversing a little bit here, but let's see what we're going to get going into the end of the day. If oil's going to rip, then Oxy's probably going to do well. If oil's going to sell off, then Oxy's probably going to get sparked. TLT's a runner. Ooh. Oh, TLT strangle. There you are. 108% on the call side of the TLT strangle. Not bad. Not too bad. Let's see. Powell is a good put play today. There you go. There you go. Yeah, TLT's ripping. Watch SPY come down here. So, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream as well. Helps get some more people in here. Let's have some fun. 50% on CEI. Woo! There you go. Larry Underpants. Waiting for it? What are you waiting for? Took a $54 SPY. Put profit paper-handed. Could have been up 140, but I'll take the win. A win's a win, man, especially in this market. Can you check your Twitter DM? I think I broke my account. Oh, shit, William. What have you done? Strike is 3. Sold cover calls on BBIG on Friday. I don't know what happened. What'd you do? So you sold covered calls. So if it's ripping, you're fucked. That's weird. You sure you didn't buy calls by accident? You sold it at 3? That's got to be a glitch. If you truly sold covered calls on it, I don't know what's going on there. That's weird. BBBY testing breakout of. Ooh, where's BBBY? Bed Bath and Beyond. Bobby, what do we got? Nah, it's up 28% today. It was up 100%. It's up 28%. You guys bought puts on this. You printed. All right, SPY's moving down. New lows on SPY. There she goes. Keep forgetting to hit the like button when I come onto the stream. Barry, come on, bro. Help out. Support the channel. I'm kidding. Thoughts on Uber entered when 1348 crossed? On the upside or the downside? I wouldn't have played it up today. That's the other thing. Like, this is where on downside? Oh, you're fine. I mean, came back up. It needs to fall a little bit more. I mean, I don't know why Uber's not selling off a little bit more. The SPY's on an absolute dumpster mission. You pulled an STV. I accidentally sold a put on the SPY. I didn't want to sell. That stinks. I fat fingered the Lockheed I had. That sucked. That sucked. It went from being me making money to me losing money in like 2 seconds. And I was like, that's BS. All right. So TLT, good. SPY put, good. Lockheed, I think it'll be all right. You're up 90% on your SPY put. Yeah, I'm up like 160% on that one. I tried to get in the stream for 2 hours Friday and I couldn't. We must be onto something with 1348. DM. Good to see you back in here though, man. All right, people. Let's see. Amy coming down. SPY not looking too hot over here. Let's see. Is Lockheed getting a little action because this is a little war news situation? Not yet, but we'll see. Oxy, oil moving. Nothing too crazy going on with oil right now. 121.14. Oil's coming up. WTI crude and Brent are coming up. Watch out. Yeah, my Uber put was flat. Got out as soon as I broke even. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what happens sometimes. If you can get out even on a 1348 traded, you don't even have to take the loss on it. It's a win. Flat or green is a win. You're going to have to take losses, but I mean, just limit the losses. Is it too late to buy a put on the SPY? Well, not I mean, sort of, but if you get you could play it off the 5-minute MACD crossover here if it's going to do it, but I don't know if it's going to. U.S. House to vote on removing trade relations with Russia and Belarus, banning oil imports as soon as Tuesday. Wouldn't that make oil freaking go nuts? Like, I feel like that would go nuts. So I'm holding the strangle. What happened with nickel? It's up 80%. Some of these commodities are just going wild. USO's ripping. Yeah, that would make sense with this. I don't want a USO strangle, but like USO's up 4%. USO's doing 1348 cross over here. It's looking all right. So if you want to take, I'm out of settled cash for today. I could do a strangle on it, but play a longer time frame. Yeah. So if you want to not get stopped out as many times, longer time frame, closer to the money, and you won't get stopped out as much. Unless there's like a giant like red candle or green candle that screws you over. But Mullen, new day high. Yeah, Mullen's good. The issue is that if you're going to be buying Mullen, you have to be perfectly okay with dealing with the rug pulls on it because it will do it. They will throw those short exempts at it. Oil filled the gap from opening yesterday. It's going to run up. Fine with me. Just let's Oxy go. Like, come on. If they stop oil and gas from Russia, Europe will tank and U.S. natural gas oil will go up mental. That's what I think. Like HUSA, Houston American Energy Corp. I used to own that thing. I used to have a bunch of shares of HUSA. Like, where is it right now? Oh, dude. I remember this being like a penny stock, unless it reverse split a bunch of times, which it could have. Oh my God, bro. I sold this thing years ago. I used to have this. Damn. If only my crystal ball would have told me that in 2022, my HUSA position would be printing, I would have not sold it. All right. So Amy coming down right here. What are we at? 1588. Yeah, it's getting some sell candles. Remember, it's all going to come down to, are the long retail and long institutional investors going to be enough to counteract all of these shares right here? So all these shares, let me see. Where is it? So these shares right here, there's 125 million shares on loan. There's only 107 million estimated to be sold short. It's a lot, but there's a big difference. It means they have a big inventory, like a backdrop of shares that they can just use to come out and spark it if they want to. Now, are we going to be able to counteract that? Well, I don't know. People are making a bunch of money with 1348. They have a little bit of extra money in the ape community if they want to buy it, but are they going to? I have no idea. It's your money. You can do whatever you want. Let's see here. 1348 cross. 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 1348 cross I think the pressure of BBY holding its gains today will cost momentum in the AMC. It's not holding its gains though. It's just downtrend the entire day. Oxy. It's coming back, man. It's coming back. 100% on CEI calls. There you go, man. There you go. All right. Let's see what we got. What do we got going on here, folks? Didn't you say you guys were going to have another Discord just for alert? No. It's all the same Discord. So the link's in the top over there. Everybody should be going in there right now because we alert for free on 5 stocks. Like, at that point, like, we are giving you all of the tools that you need to succeed with the strategy. The strategy's out there for free, and we're just giving you free alerts as like training wheels. So if you don't take advantage of it, I mean, like, that's not like we're doing everything that we can to get this out to people. So Amy's coming down a little bit here. Scalp some Oxybooks for 40% and got more calls. There you go. Oh, we got the mask gang coming in. Let's see if TMI's Wi-Fi is working a little bit. Let me shoot him the link. Let me shoot him the link really quickly. Wait. Where did this just type? All right, hold on. All right, let's see here. Oh, Tupacalypse. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Are people dumping Tesla and going into Mullen? I don't know about that one. It's not working. What's not working? The Discord link? It should be working. Let me look. I'll just click it right here. Bing bong. Nope, it works. Eight straight red bar for AMC. Let's go for 10. How about we don't, actually? How about we get some green over here? That's Oxy coming up here. Lockheed, what are you doing, pal? It's coming. It's coming. Finally up 10% on my Uber 1348, been a roller coaster of emotions. Yeah, Uber really hasn't been the one today. We've hit some dirty plays on Uber. Today's not the day. Oh, there it goes. So Uber now starting to sell off. There you go. SPY, I mean, it's doing these 1325 tests over here. If it rejects down and makes a new low, watch out below. Let's see. Gang. What's up, Carlton? How you doing, my man? All right, guys. As you guys are filtering into, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. I think I'm going to be the only one live for a while. So if people want a place to go, trade, watch Amy, let's make it easy for them. Amy's selling off, though. SPY coming down. Let's see. Uber's now selling. Told you Oxy would run later. That's fine. I mean, I don't care. Like, I want it to go up or down huge. That's what I want. Which channel in the Discord has the free 1348 alerts? The freeloader chat, I think it is. I call it training wheels. Husa doing work, dude. I that was like the second or third stock that I ever bought. Husa, Houston American Energy, freaking 2018 VIX or whatever it was. Good at picking stocks over the long haul, I guess. That was down horrendously though at one point. I was down like a shitload. I was like, this is nonsense. How those SPY Putins looking? They're good, I think. Like they're still up. They're up. What do you call it? Oh, now they're only up 85%. Interesting. They're getting volatile over here. So, ooh, the Oxy calls just went green, and the puts are still up 15%. Interesting. The TLT call side's up 100%. LMT is actually looking all right over here. Husa halting again soon? It might, man. Husa's just dirty. I mean, I wish I still had it. Fuck. Dude, I paper handed. I've always been a paper hand. Let's see. So what's the potential of Mullen to squeeze? I don't know. It depends. All right, this is about to halt right here. Give it like 2 seconds. It's about to halt. If it hits like 980, it's halting. Best live chat on YouTube. Made more money following you than any of the two. Thanks, dude. That's why we do this. Seemingly trading new video looking bullish. Everything looks good. Did it halt? No, not yet. This thing's probably going to halt. If it hits like 980, 985, it's probably halting. Been out of it since Thursday. Moving into a new place. Quick recap of the AMC news Thursday until now. Ooh, I don't know. There's been a lot of news, I think. We had some like more margin call stuff with Credit Suisse. I got some Citadel stuff to talk to you guys about later in the video tonight. Citadel and BlackRock covering shorts. You had 1,000 shares of Husa like below $1 2 years ago, dude. Me too. Like Husa is Houston American Energy Corp. So I think it's in Texas, and it's like an oil play. So I had it for a while, and then reverse repo hit a low at 1.46 trillion. Ooh, I mean that's still crazy. Like imagine being like, oh yeah, reverse repo, they're sucking money out of the system. That's a low of trillions of dollars. New mic, I sound crisp. No, it's actually not a new mic. It's the same one as usual, but thank you. I appreciate that. Hugh Husa coming back down. Spy trying to move here. Where's Lockheed? Lockheed, go on a moon mission for me, huh? Made a little bit of a big bet on you earlier. I need you to go. Oxy, I need you to do something, man. Up or down big. That's what we need. Holy cow, GME. Dude, this is wildness on GameStop right here. Wildness. Robinhood won't let you trade options on Husa. I don't know if there are options on Husa. 1348 killing it. Micron Friday, Spy today, both up over 400%. Val, good shit, man. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm telling you, if you guys aren't in there, just literally getting the free stuff. It's for free. Just get in there. It's just training wheels. And then you're allowed to join the big boys in the premium. But, I mean, it's pretty good, man. All right, so Spy 423.04. Amy trying to get a green candle over here, but it's just kind of getting sparked. I mean, it's only down 4%. GME's down a lot. GME's down 10.85%. Are they putting out articles that's like Ryan Cohen doesn't have faith in GameStop anymore? No. Are they doing that? Hold on. Are they spewing nonsense on this? Yeah, it's saying he's taking a stake in Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's not saying anything about GameStop. Huh, interesting. Because I thought they would just try to spread some FUD on this. Just be like, oh, he doesn't care. And it's like, okay, well, or it means that he's done a lot and things are kind of locked and loaded, ready to come out. Cohen tweeted? Oh, what did he tweet? No overpaid executives in the metaverse. So essentially what he did with Bed Bath & Beyond was he was like, so essentially what the board does in these board meetings is they oversee what the management team does. The role of the board is like a check and a balance for like the CEO, the CFO, the COO. So what Ryan Cohen came in and essentially did was say, hey, I think that your strategy is a little bit too ambitious and I don't think you're going to be able to accomplish it sort of in the way that you set it out. And I think you're paying your executives too much, meaning the CEO is making too much money. So what he's doing is he's probably going to come in there and request to cut executive compensation. And here's the deal. I think he has a 9.8% ownership. So he gets a board seat, I believe. But I think at 10%, it becomes like you're not a minority shareholder. If there's something at 10%, and he might be able to enforce his will a little bit more at that 10%. So if they don't do what he says or what he wants, he might just be like, all right, cool. And then just go buy more and then be like, okay, now you have to. So he's like kind of not hostile takeover because he's not buying everything, but he's, what's it called? Icon used to do it all the time. What's this called? There's like two names for it. He's like activist investing, but there's like another name for it. It's not like robber baron. It's something else. I forget what it is. Booyah. What's up, man? It touched under 90 intraday. Yes. Scam. I don't understand that one. Don't trust any online investment community's insider thing used by shills to manipulate. Dude, there is no insider thing. Pirate? It might be. It might have to do something with a pirate. Oh! Corporate Raider. It's Corporate Raider. That's the pirate thing. Oh, we just cracked the code. Hold on. Here we go. Corporate Raider, a financer who makes a practice of making hostile takeover bids for companies either to control their policies or to resell them for a profit. He's making a joke about corporate raiders. That's what it is. Oh. Did I just figure that out? Or did like everybody know that? Hold on. Did I just crack the code or did everybody was that already known? Let me know. Is that new? He's making a joke about being a corporate raider. Cuz I'm going to tweet it out. So his tweets mean something. That's the thing. His tweets do mean stuff. No, people have speculated that. Damn it. I feel like I should still tweet it out though, right? Gordon Gekko. That's interesting. That is really cool. I feel really smart right now. I feel really smart. I'm going to tweet it out. And I feel like everybody's just going to be like, oh, yeah, we knew that. Worth the awareness. That's what I think too. He's just, so I just tweeted it out. I was just like, after announcing his stake in BBBY, the Pirate Flag seems to be Ryan Cohen making a joke about being a corporate raider. MetaBrain Vix. Okay, so here's kind of what corporate raider is. A financier who makes a practice of making hostile takeover bids for companies, either to control their policies or to resell them for a profit. He's not buying the entire thing, but he's buying enough. He's like, corporate raider. Like, that's kind of what he's saying. He's just making a joke. The nice name is activist investor. Exactly, but he used the pirate flag. I feel like apes are selling AMC at this point. It's just too obvious. What about the on balance volume that tells you no? Like, no, Warren. AMC institutional ownership increased 3%. Cool. If you go to Supersonic, there's a post on his tweets. Interesting. I haven't read that, but I feel like that's pretty interesting. All right, people. Lol, no way, dude. Wait, what happened? What? Corporators essentially just extort? Yeah, that's what he's doing. He's like, I own 9.8% right now. If you fuck with me, I'm going to own 10. Do you think Apple has to do with the Apple announcement tomorrow? Yeah, maybe. Oh, shoot, maybe. They keep forcing us down and never covering. High frequency traders. They're doing every single thing that we've expected them to do the entire time. And here's the deal. We have provided you with the tools, and now they're basically out there for free to enable you to make money on the side to kind of hold the AMC stuff. So we are doing everything that we can to try and like make this easier for you guys. Like, if you have extra money on the side, you can, one, make more money to buy the dips. And two, you get the alerts on 5 stocks for free. Let's see here. It's going to be more like 15%. BBBY had a huge buyback. Yeah, but is that already accounted for in the float yet? Who is Ryan Cohen exactly? He's the chairman of the board of GameStop. So he's the chairman of the board. Also, guys, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. Let's see what happens here. So we got LMT trying to make a little bit of a move up here. Let's see how Oxy's doing. Where's oil? Oil's, yeah, Oxy's coming up here a little bit. Where's oil right now? It's approaching 122 on WTI. Wanted to thank you for letting me know I could trade with a cash account. Keep it up. There we go, man. Oxy just crossed up on the 3-minute. My first set of calls are coming back to life. My second set are up 40%. Oxy dividend 3.9. Do those typically make stocks go up? Are they paying the dividend then, or is that X dividend? It depends. If it's X dividend, you'll see buyers come in. If it's dividend payment, then you'll see a sell off after. Maybe. It depends. GME is expensive on the options chain. I want $120 calls for next month. Well, yeah, the IV is crazy. I liked it 3 times as usual. Subi Sickness, I appreciate that, buddy. All right, SPY getting a little bit of a pop here. Oxy trying to make a move. Let's see. Lockheed, 69. Oh, that's close. It's close, man. Cohen will take more BBY at these levels. No. It wouldn't make sense for him to do that. Yeah, we know. Don't pay. Wait, what? What? Let's see. Can you trade options with the cash account on Robinhood? Probably not. No, I don't think you can. Robinhood's stupid like that. I don't like Robinhood. All right, people. What are we gonna get? What's crossing? It's a little bit slow. Oh, it's getting walked down. Amy's getting walked down. 1569. Are the buyers gonna step back in? I don't know. Everybody's been making the money with 1348. Let's see if they're gonna come in and use it. 11 straight red candles. Let's go for 20. Jim, shut up, bro. Stop. Robinhood does not offer cash account for options. Yeah, Robinhood sucks. They're awful. They're terrible, bro. Terrible. Lenny, what's up, man? How you doing? All right, people. So Amy's trying to get a little bit of a pop here. Spy's trying to come back to life here a little bit. Lockheed selling off a little tiny bit. Oil, Oxy, just kind of chilling out. XOM printing today. Yeah, I sold the call side of the Exxon for like 160%. I think it was. It was nuts. Bitcoin falling hard right now. How hard? Doesn't look like it's falling hard. Ooh. Ooh. That's nasty. Tell us how you really feel about Robin the Hood. I think Vlad has better career aspirations playing young Professor Snape. That's a tweet. Never mind. That's just silly. All right, here we go. Let's see here. What do we got going on? Bitcoin trying to come back here. Spy. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Lockheed. Fuck off. Ouch, Tesla. Yeah, it's probably bad. We're getting close. If AMC and GME drop another 8% or so, I'm going balls deep. Don't put it in as like more money than you can afford to take losses on and freak out about. Like, still, you have to be careful with what you're doing. Let's see. What do we got over here? Biden asked Supreme Court to intervene. Okay, no. Oh, he's talking about vaccines. U.S. Congress negotiators nearing deal on emergency Ukraine aid long-term government funding agreement. Interesting. Wait, Iraq allocates $100 million to buy 3 million tons of wheat. Wheat coming up. Let's see. Please tell me if 90 to 95% of retail investment goes off exchange venues, will the purchases of 1348 winners go to affect the price? Hey, Zert, this. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm not going to be an asshole about it. Sorry. Something that I think people still don't get is that when you complain about off exchange trading, you do realize that retail investors, all of us, everybody in this live chat right now, every single ape, every single person that's purchasing as a retail investor on a day-to-day basis can literally say, no, I don't want my order going to the dark pool. Send it right to the exchange if they're on the correct broker. Like, it's just that simple. Boom. Directly route it. So when people complain about it, it's like, I get it. It sucks. Like, we should not be having that amount. And it's the way the system's set up too, that is going to take every single order that is basically on any payment for order flow brokerage and throw it into a dark pool and internalize it and wholesale it and basically skim off pennies and limit price discovery. Yeah, it sucks. That's the way the system's set up. But you have control over your order. All you got to do is go to a broker that's going to let you directly route your orders. It's as simple as that. This is why I buy shares on public exclusively. There you go, Rogue Civilian. See, people are getting in tune to it, but not enough people, obviously, because like, what is it? I think it's not like 90 to 95%. It's like retail orders in general is like 90 to 95% because most of the orders are taking place on like Robinhood, Webull, and places like that. But for AMC and GME, you could easily be like, all right, so we're just going to go to Fidelity, Active Trader Pro, or TD, or like one of these other places that like, okay, you can just directly route it to IEX with a delimit order, and they're never going to be able to high frequency trade and mess with you on it. They just can't. You're talking like the rules are enforced the same way as printed on policies? No, I'm not. I'm saying the rules are I'm saying the rules are set up against you, but there's literally a mechanism and an order where you can just be like, send it to the exchange. How do I know it isn't a dark pool? Because you're selecting the exchange that it's going to. They have routes to the exchange. Yeah, you can go on public. I think, okay, so public, I don't necessarily know for sure. I've heard, yes, public goes right to the exchanges and they make their money on the side, but I've also heard that public does some weird stuff with their clearing. So I don't know for sure. So I'm not going to come out and promote public and just be like, yes, public, but I know Fidelity does. I know I'm 99% sure TD does. Interactive Brokers, I'm pretty sure does it as well. But which aren't dark pools? Okay, there's like 40, 50 dark pools. If you just, okay, wheat is coming up here with a 1348 cross. Wheat is probably, I'm really in a swing trading mood. Like, I don't know what it is. I want to hold stuff overnight this week, and I feel like it's going to be the death of me, or it's going to work out incredibly well. No, public could easily be sending it directly to the exchanges. They easily could. I've just heard some like, maybe they're not. So I don't know for sure. That's the thing. I don't know for 100% sure. I've also not taken the time to look into it, but I know Fidelity. Fidelity is the one that I know for sure you can directly route your orders into the exchange. Let's see. Wheat is coming up off that. It was either Iran or Iraq said they were going to purchase like 3 million tons of it. Lucid is alive again. There you go. Amy bouncing back. She's trying. Spy's trying to come back here a little bit. Wheat is going nuts. Moo does it? Oh, I haven't heard about that. Public is not. Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, Wired. I think it came from Wired that they may not actually go to. Yes, so that's what it is. So that's why I've never promoted public, because I just don't know. Because if the whole goal is getting your orders directly routed to an exchange, then if we're not 100% sure, then why mess with it? I know Fidelity does, and I know a couple of these other ones like does. So when people are like, why is it going to the dark pool? It's like, you like anytime that you buy, you have control over it. I'll trade you 3 sheep for 2 wheat. No, thank you. And you have to manually do it. You can't just be like, oh, I'm buying on Fidelity. It's gone. No. You have to manually do it. You click a box. Hello, STV in chat. Hope we're all having a good day. Collective Risk. I hope you're having a good day too, buddy. All right, Spy coming back down. Wheat is going on a moon mission. There it goes. What's the day high on this thing? 1193. It's going to break it. Yeah, I had to mess with my settings on Ameritrade, but I can choose now, like if I want to do smart routing, just and send it to dark pools, or if I want to send it directly to NASDAQ. Exactly. All right, we is just mooning on this 1348 cross right here. What is this? For 30 cents about? That's not bad, man. Does Exxon look like a double top? I don't know. I mean, I just kind of play it off oil. Yeah, a little bit. Where's oil right now? 120.34. All right, it's coming down a little bit here. Public is still OTC because they sent all their orders to clearing broker dealer in the OTC. That's what it was. It was the clearing thing. I remember that. From there, we don't know where it goes. Exactly. So we don't know where it goes after it goes there. They're saying they're not directly sending it, but they don't know where it goes after. So they're sending it to somewhere that's not like directly to a dark pool or an internalizer, but they don't know what happens to the order after. Is IEX the best place to send to? Well, IEX, you can use the delimit, which is going to not let the high frequency traders, Citadel, get your order and skim it. Call the day. Spy will close at 4:30. AMC will close at 16:49. Dude, that's a call. That's a call and a half right there. Let's see. Whoa, Grandpa Barney. Thanks for the super, buddy. TD direct route to lit. The problem with public is they use AJAX, or however you want to say it. Love my Jack fam. Grandpa Barney, I heard you were feeling a little bit under the weather, buddy. Or you having some health issues? I hope you're doing good, my man. Hopefully, whatever it is, it's not too serious. Amy's trying to come up here a little bit. Exxon doing its thing. Oxy, that Strangle. I mean, it still looks good. The Strangle's still green. Where's Lockheed? Flickering. Let's see. Is it Apex? Oh, it might be Apex. Went short on oil and gas with OILD in at 845 and DRIP at 268. Germany and EU said Monday they will not halt Russian oil and gas imports. Yes, I saw that too. So that's why I don't care. Like, I have the Strangle on it. I literally just want it to move big. That's all it is. Just move big in one direction. I have the 50 put for Oxy and the 60 calls. Let's see. Checking out the Discord link. There you go, man. Like, the thing is that I think people are still like not fully understanding what you're getting with it. I mean, the premium, you get literally everything. You get all of the alerts on different time frames. Now you get 920, the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA. You get different time frames on 350 stocks. You get crypto alerts. What else is there? You get all the private live streams. You get all of the chat channels. Like, you're getting a lot in there. And you get all three of us, me, TMI, and Gabe, in the private live streams. And if you just want to test it out for free in Training Wheels before you're allowed to get into the premium, I mean, you can get the free alerts. Like, let's do this thing. Let's make this money, people. Let's see. Just bought some CEI this morning, and you're up 51%. There you go, Andre. I love to see that, my man. I love to see that. All right, let's see what we got going on over here. Bing, bong, the price is wrong. All right, folks. Let's see. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see. Amy, 1590. Spy trying to do its thing over here. Oxy might come down a little here. Where's Lockheed? Yeah, bouncing off that 200. Nickel went crazy today as well. Yeah, I saw that. You guys are talking about nickel. Why not call out alerts on the live stream? Is this your first day here? Is this your first day here, buddy? I literally call out stuff all the time. Not from the alerts, because I can't stare at it all day long, but like, come on. We're hitting nasty plays on stream all the time. You guys Friday with Oxy? Mullen running? I know you guys like your Mullen. Oh, new highs on Mullen. Careful, though. Careful on the Mullen. Yeah, Mullen new day high. Up 117% on Mullen $1 calls. I mean, you could just be up a similar amount if you just held shares for like a week. On stocks like Mullen with the this isn't just like a Mullen specific thing. It's with stocks with these low prices. 99 times out of 100, it makes more sense to just buy the shares. The IV is going to be high. The market maker is going to try to screw you on the price. You're not going to get that much of a difference in terms of the options gain versus just shares. It's not that much of a difference. In terms of like risk, it doesn't, the opportunity cost is more. Like, you just don't, in my opinion, it's more worth it to just buy shares. Let's see. Do I have any positions in Mullen, CEI, or USO? No. Here comes Mullen. New highs. Spy back down. Amy, 1581 over here. Let's see. Accidentally sold puts on Mullen last week. What's the move? If you sold cash secured puts, you're printing. You're doing really good. Not like me when I fat finger Lockheed. Let's see. Mullen trying to come up a little bit here. AMC 1581. Spy moving down. Where's oil? It's kind of hanging right around 120. It was a fat finger. Oh, yeah. You're up 40%. Let's see. You make that bread today, Vix? I mean, I got not as much today. I'm kind of setting things up. Spy trades were pretty good. I'm just trying to set some swings up. Like, I'm trying to mess around a little bit more with these overnight moves, because the intraday moves are awesome. They're great. We're hitting intraday moves, but there's also an opportunity for swings, and I want because I think oil and these commodity plays are going to be nasty this week, up or down.
After watching 1348 videos 10 times each, made money on BKKT and Mullen today. There you go. Thanks, SV and RD. Oh, TMI's involved in there too. Don't you forget about TMI. Oxy in a range right now, burning premium. Honestly, I think mine's still good. Yeah, my Oxy Strangle, still green. Let's see. Oh, my SPY put's up 72%. Nice. That was like a tiny YOLO with the rest of the settled cash. I'm just going to hold that for a while, see what happens. So we got 5 minutes until there's 2 hours left in the market today, people. Hope you guys are excited. It's going to be fun. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We got Amy coming down a little bit here. 1577. We got GME flickering around. Need Lucky to rip. Me too, buddy. Let's see. All right. Never sold a put. Can I still sell early? You can. If you sold a put, you have to buy it back. You're essentially shorting the put contract. Let's see. SPY slowly getting walked down again on that 13 EMA line over here. 5-minute MACD might cross to the downside too again here on the SPY. Watch that low at 422.06. It's starting to slowly bleed down. Amy coming down a little bit here. LMT's about to cross up on the 5. Is it now? Trying. It's trying. DWAC getting clobbered right now. Yeah, I don't mess with DWAC. I just like, it's not for me. It's just, there's too much volatility baked into it where I don't want to trade it. Mullen doing really good right now. Yeah, it was. It was at like what, 110 last time we take a look at it. What's it at now? Oh, 112. There you go. I need to know. I need to buy it back, but I think I read I have to wait for expiration. No. Jack's dad, you don't have to wait for expiration. You can buy it back right now if you want to. You just buy to close it. It's like a short. It's essentially what you did was shorted the contract. Let's see. Mullen is flying right now. Mullen to 150 today. It'll rug pull at some point. They'll dump the short exempts on it. Just careful. They will do it. That's the thing. They will so that's the thing. If they do that big dump on it, that's in my mind now with what we've seen with Mullen and the momentum that it can have, like this. It just run shark fin. Like and it does it sometimes like this one, shark fin. Like it's just it would be a little bit of a buying opportunity, I think, but don't go off my word for it. I'm not buying it right now, most likely. Husa's up 400%. Damn. I've always been a paper hand, I guess. I mean, I did sell a lot of that stuff to buy more AMC, so sue me. Just sold my Mullen $1 call for 120%. There you go, man. I mean, see, the thing is that the stock's up 46%. If literally any other stock did a 46% move, you'd be up 10,000% at least. So the difference is where the risk is. Because what if Mullen fell 20% today? Your option would go down 50, 60%. So the risk reward is not there for me on options on stocks like Mullen with those low prices. Leaps, maybe. Trading them now doesn't make sense to me. You're up $600 on Mullen today? There you go. That's awesome. I'm just saying, like, in general, for me, the risk reward just doesn't make sense. You ever heard of BATL? I think so. It has earnings today after close. Oh, hold on. Do we have earnings? Oh, man. What's the earnings calendar say? Uh-oh. Hold on. We're getting earnings? Woo! Come on. Earnings whisper. What do we got? What do we got, earnings whispers? What are you going to whisper to us today? Nothing today. Bumble after close tomorrow for all you bumblers out there. Dick's Sporting Goods before open on Tuesday. Oh, on Tuesday we have Dick's and Bumble. Cool. A Tyrion after hours tomorrow. CrowdStrike after close on Wednesday. All right. I feel like, was that too far? Was that too far? Or no, we're good. Let's see. Amy selling off a little bit here. Was that too far? I don't know. I don't know if anybody got it. I don't know if anybody got that one. Lol. Okay. Somebody got it. All right. And then Campbell's Soup for open on Wednesday. Let's see. Oh, Ulta Thursday. Rivian on Thursday. DocuSign on Thursday. Blink on Thursday. Ooh, Thursday's going to be big. We'll play earnings on Thursday. BATL's an oil play. What's the actual company name though? Mullen is crushing it. Yeah, Mullen's doing really good right here. Mullen calls Date of July or YOLOs in case anything goes parabolic. Got both. There you go. I got it. All right. Soup is good food. Sick Campbell's chicken noodle soup. All right. Let's see. Amy 1570 over here. Spy. Flickering. Yeah, Mullen does look good right here. Let's check Oxy and Lockheed again. Oxy, nothing. Lockheed, double nothing. No chain on BATL. More than twice your age and same sense of humor. All right, cool. Tupacalypse, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Explain to me how short exempts work and hurt stocks. Okay, cool. Short exempts. The market maker has a legal ability to naked short to provide liquidity. But here's how it's cheating. It's like, thoughts on Folk? I'll take a look at that right here. Therapeutics? I don't know. It's up 11% today. It's been ripping a little bit. I'd be careful with this thing. I don't know what the news is on it. I hate when you say Amy's selling off. Nobody's selling. Amy is being shorted down. Hey, Sir Hodo Holdington, what is shorting? What is shorting? What is the mechanism? What is the transaction for shorting? It's selling. So it's selling off. That's how it comes. Okay, short exempts. Here's how short exempts work. The market maker has a legal ability to naked short in order to maintain liquidity in the market. The problem is that the market maker can do this even when, so they can do it. Well, I showed you guys this in the video. This is why you got to pay close attention to these videos when they come out. The market maker can do this and cover it within 6 days if they think the stock is rising too fast or it's going in a direction that they do not want. So they can do it regardless. Now, what it does is it doesn't show up in short interest reports. It's in order for them to provide liquidity, even though their job is to provide liquidity and they should have the liquidity anyway. So they're cheating and backtracking in order to provide that liquidity. And it's flooding the market with supply. Short exempt is technically naked shorting. So it floods the market with supply. So you're flooding the market with supply. And once the buyers are done and they're still short exempting into the market, the share prices tank. That's what happened with Mullen the other day. And what else was it? I mean, it's happened with AMC. I showed you guys the video with all the short exempts on AMC. It's insane. I understand that, but selling off sounds wrong. But did I get your history results you printed? I don't know, man. I don't really care. Not gonna lie, don't care about the history. No, I think it's fine. Dave Lauer's on Reddit. Oh, that's pretty cool. Billions of fake shares being sold. There's basically just stealing investor money and not giving anything in return. Right, but I mean, how many times has this happened in the past when they got screwed over? All right, Oxy hanging out here. LMT, is it still at 68? Yeah, it's coming up a little bit here. Adam Aaron will be live at 3 p.m. on Fox Business. Ooh, really? So we'll get Adam Aaron on in a little bit here too. That'll be fun. The word selling triggered him. That's fair. That's fair. It's a bad word. 1562 on AMC. Opinion on some put options on Riot? Depends. It depends. It all depends. With Liz? Oh, this is going to be a good one then. All right. So if it's on Fox, I know how to get that. So we'll watch Adam Aaron here in a little while on Fox. We got about an hour until AA comes on. News alert. Russia has invaded Ukraine. Brian. What is this time? What? we know, man. We know. We know how this works. All right, let's see. Stream the interview, please. We will. Don't worry. We'll get Adam Aaron on. I mean, won't get him on here, but we'll listen to Adam Aaron talk. What do you use to check futures regularly without delays? I mean, I think I'm delayed over here on investing.com with oil. I mean, crude, WTI crude's at 119.52. Brent is at 123.40. I'm just using investing.com right here. Locky. Spy slowly getting stair step down again. All right, Amy. What do we got going on over here? 1564 down about 5.6%. All right, what's the news? Johnson Matthey to stop all new commercial activities in Russia. Interesting.
Let's see here. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. I think I'm gonna be the only one on for a while today. So if people want a place to come watch Amy and 1348, I mean, let's get it going. Mullen new high. Damn. That's not bad. See, Mullen's one that I don't even feel like the FOMO on. I just, it's not for me. Like right now, if it gets another giant sell, like if it has a day where it just gets like piled on with short exempts, yeah, then maybe I'll get in again. But again, it's not like a top priority. I don't want to like chase it, you know? Can you imagine how hard this market is going to rip when the Ukraine insanity ends? Right, but then we have rate hikes. So watch out. Don't get your hopes up too high. Let's see. Actual TA on patterns. I don't use patterns, lethal injection. It's just not for me. I just am really using 1348 and the basics on that. Just keep it simple. Let's see. All right. Amy Little. Let's see. What's Mullen? Mullen 117 over here. That's pretty big. Pretty big. All right. Hold on. What are we looking at? Lockheed. There it goes. Oxy. I'm trying here. Let's see. Thoughts on RTX calls? The 105s are looking good right now. Yeah, I was holding some of those earlier today. I ditched them, though. I didn't like it. So, I mean, I have the Lockheed for next week, which I think is good. I mean, if you get another 1348 cross on it, it could be decent. I was chasing it a little this morning. It didn't work. Nepal was in here. He's like, I like it. And I was like, all right, cool. I'll throw a little bit of money at it. Just seeing it hit the stop. And I was like, all right, screw this. I like Lockheed a lot better in terms of like the setup for it. Where does all the money that investors put in the market go when it crashes like this? It evaporates into thin air. That's essentially what happens. Something is worth 100, then it goes down to 50. That $50 is gone. RTX is Raytheon. Yes, you should buy X. Stop it. Stop tempting me with steel. I don't want to do it. Nepal scammer. No, Nepal's good. I love Nepal. False. Fine, Mike. It could go to shorts and increase their positions. Fine. But fine, it could go to shorts. That's fine. Typically, it's a zero-sum game. Someone wins, someone loses. That's fair. But typically, like okay, you're right. You're right. Fine. I'll give you that one. Where are the margin calls? Is war the markets are tanking, but nothing. There are margin calls. There are margin calls. You just don't see them. You just don't because they could just be meeting the requirements, or it could be like what I showed you guys earlier with where is it? I don't think I have it up anymore. Oh wait, yes I do. This Archegos thing, like right here when we were looking at this, when they were just like, no, I'm not gonna talk to you. They were just like ghosting them. Like literally, it was like I'm trying to think of what this is like. They were just getting ghosted. Like Credit Suisse was just getting ghosted by Archegos. They were like, hey, you need to pay our margin. And Archegos was just like, yeah, okay, bro. Let's see. TMI is doing the margin calls in an hour. Yeah, SPY puts printed. Yeah, Oxy might cross up on the 5. Really now? Really? It would. It's still below that 200 EMA, though. Let's Lockheed. Flickering. Check out CEI. It's ripping again. Amber Energy. This is another one that I just wouldn't trade the options on. Like it's up 84% today. What are the options up? Okay, that one different. A little different on this one. 336% up on these options. So the risk reward on that one makes more sense. Archegos was like, who this? Yeah, new phone, who this? Exactly. How many times have you been asked is AMC? Oh, probably like 20 times a day. 200% on SPY puts. There you go. Are you in the green or red so far today? I think I'm slightly green. Slightly green or slightly red. Pretty flat day today. I was just setting some stuff up for like the next couple of weeks. Realized gains, I'm green. Unrealized gains, I'm red. So it depends on what you want to look at. Is SNDL going to get delisted? It's trading pretty low. I think it could, yes. So I'd be careful with that. SPY trying to make a little bit of a pop back up here. Where's oil? 119.38. AMC 15.71, down about 5% right now. Oxy little IV crush going on. I mean, I'm pretty sure my strangle's still green. My strangle's flat. Ryan Cohen not joining the Bed Bath & Beyond board. Did he tweet that? Who said that? He tweeted no overpaid executives in the metaverse. Are you in the green or red today? Yes. Yeah, exactly. It depends. Like, I usually look at realized gains just because I like to look at that better. Like, I gotta have positions that are out there that, like, technically I'm green, but like realized gains are what I care about more. So realized gains, little green, not really anything today. Unrealized gains, I'm red. What's the Ortex on AMC? Good question. So, guys, also remember, we're going to get Adam Aaron in about 50 minutes on Fox, so that'll be pretty interesting. We got 20.85% estimated short interest, and then we have 1.47% average cost to borrow. Again, super low. We got 100% utilization, which I believe is nonsense. And then the big difference between shares on loan, 125 million and 107 million estimated shares sold short. So big difference over here. Amy trying to get a little move here. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Let's check Lockheed and Oxy. Lockheed being a little bit of an asshole today, but it's fine. I got 2 weeks on these contracts. We got Oxy trying here. It's kind of been on this big downtrend throughout the whole day. Oh, it was in his letter to Bed Bath & Beyond? Oh, cool. You're about to see Mullen go parabolic? Maybe, man. Grandpa Barney. Oh, he got the Rona. Compromised immune system. Grandpa Barney, I hope you're feeling better, man. Hopefully, you're kind of at the later stage of it, so you're good to go soon. That stinks, man. I hope you feel better. Oxy Fidelity is stuck at 56.15. Is not updated on the options the past 2 hours. That's weird. Currently minus 18 degrees with a foot of snow. That sounds awful. Yeah, he's not joining the BBUI board. Interesting. I mean, he can still make it. What do you call it? He can still make suggestions. Let's see. Mullen, is it going? Is Mullen really going right here? MULN. Red candle. I mean, that's not, I mean, I'm telling you, it's going to come down at some point. It will not, nothing can continue to go up like this. I mean, this is a really solid day for Mullen, but you got to be careful. Here comes the volume on AMC. No, not really. Volume's been kind of trickling down on these 5-minute candles. Unusual Whales gave out an X alert. Just saying, stop it. No, stop. I'm not going to be trading any more steel. Okay, the way I would strangle steel. I would get a strangle on steel for this week. It's just a little expensive, I think. Like if I look at the premium over here. Yeah, I'm not touching this. GME Ortex? Gotcha, buddy. Anything for you. Oops, that's wrong. GameStop Ortex, we got a net return of 184,000 shares. You got 17.35% estimated short interest on the thing, and then 3.04% average cost to borrow with 100% utilization, especially on GME. Again, makes 0 cents. SPY doesn't really look like it's going to go down. A little bit of lower highs, lower lows too. It's just the move down is getting slower, is essentially what it's looking at here. So nope, stop it. What do we got? The Oxy Strangles basically flat. Let's see here. The TLT is looking good though. Oxy next up, 56. Hey, how about 66? How about that, pal? How about we get some 66 on Oxy? I would love that. That would be great for me. You know, you got to be a little selfish, you know, just ask and you shall receive. It's like that story at the blackjack table. All I had to do was ask. Mullen, woo! 117, 118, high of the day at 122. Crossover on the 5-minute downward. I hear X is goodbye. Stop it. Stop it. You're calling out all the stocks that have just been like the massive head fake shark finny ones. Watch, can you give an example of a strangle on Oxy? Yeah, the one that I have. I bought the 50 puts and I bought the 60 calls. Strangle. basically like me strangling it. It's like, go in a direction. It's essentially what it is. I'm just kidding. When are you gonna go on vacation? Never. No vacation. Not happening. Biden gives the okay for much higher gasoline prices for Americans. 424 is the battleground zone, acting as resistance, but I don't have any money in the game right now. I would say it's coming down. But who knows? Mullen, 119 over here. Yeah, if I want to pay $5 a gallon for gas, I may as well get it from Oxy calls. That's what I'm saying. That's what I've been saying. It's like, if you're gonna see like your own personal life get affected about this by this stuff, I mean, screw them. The people that are making this happen, make the money and be able to pay for it. BP about to cross up on the 5. All right, let's see what we're gonna get into the after hours or in the later half of the day. All right, Oxy's not really moving. Mullen looked like it was starting to get a little spicy. Lockheed, how's this doing? It's trying. You strangle so whichever the way it pops, I guess, but it's more of like I just want it to SPY. This is not a triple bottom. This is lower lows ish here. And this one, I mean, you could say this is a triple bottom right here. It's just you need it to move big in either direction. It's like what I do for earnings. I just want it to move big in either direction. Nice 70% gain on Mullen. Woo! There you go. Send me a tweet about gas prices. Oh, I'll take a look at that. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It's really cool. SPY Putin's looking good too. Mine are down probably now. I mean, I'm holding it. It's a tiny little YOLO. I think I spent like $30 on it. This is the rest of the settled cash. Is the BBBY squeeze over? They took out 2% of the float today in shares on loan against it. So they've been strategically trying to push that thing down. Are you gonna rip? Trust me, bro. I mean, I will trust you. SPYs just switched to bullish on unusual whales. Fine with me, man. Fine with me. I'm very like, I don't care about the direction. I just care about volatility right now. I just want things to go. SPY pop. Little bit. Let's see if Amy can get back above 16 over here. We're at 1574, down 84 cents. I mean, that's not that much. Like in terms of a percentage gain, it's a lot. But in terms of like 84 cents, AMC can do that in like 2 candles. What's AA talking about? I don't know, but he will be talking at 3, everybody said. So we'll gear that up. We'll get the Adam Aaron interview at around 3 with Liz Clayman. That'll be pretty sweet. My man. There we go, Jerry. Let's see. What happened to BBBY? It got shorted into oblivion today. Look, ready? Look at how many shares on loan they took out against it. I mean, there's definitely some covering. Oh my God. They took out over, I think that's like 5% of the float in shares on loan today to short this thing. And they only returned 745,000 shares. That's crazy. That's like wildness over here. Let's see. 3 Eastern? Yeah. I want to play something, but there's nothing good right now. You were 5 minutes behind. What's AA talking about? I don't know. He's probably just going to talk about Batman, honestly. Batman numbers, revenue coming in from that. That's probably what's going to happen. Hey, Ortex Gatekeeper, can you show me AMC squeeziness? Yes, I'll do an Amy Ortex right now. It's just a lot of it's BS though. Like 100% utilization, yeah, right. Like a 1.47% cost per. I mean, that doesn't make sense with the utilization. 20.85% estimated short interest. 107 million shares sold short. Again, big difference between shares on loan and shares sold short. You had me excited off that Ortex. Thought it was AMC. Nah, that was bad about to be on. Para, is Para doing a thing over here? Para's trying to get above that 200 EMA over here. SPY's trying to make a move up to the 48 EMA. A lot of things are moving pretty slow now. So a lot of the market's kind of cooled off and just been a little bit slow. Oxy, Lockheed, just kind of being slow. Let's see what happens though. SNMP. I mean, M. Creeks was talking about that a little bit earlier. I mean, it looked decent. It's an oil play. Here comes the Mullen rug pull. Uh-oh. Did it fall below 1? That would be what I would consider a big rug pull on Mullen if it falls below 1. AMC is dead, says William. What makes you think that? Price? Are you uneducated? Do you not understand what's actually going on here? Like, are you just freaking out because you're seeing number go down, bad stock? Number go up, good stock. Like, that just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Let's see. Mullen coming down a little bit here. SPY flickering. Yeah, AMC is on sale. Alrighty. Lou just sent his last tweet ever, supposedly. Yeah, until tomorrow. Numbers bad. Husa still flying? Damn. Stock go down, bad stock. Stock go up, good stock. That's not how it works. That's how the institutions want you to think, and then they just steal from you. That's how that works. Number goes sideways. I confused. Better call Paul. Yeah, facts. That sounded like Crim Jamer. Oh, did it? Oh, that's funny. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I was just making a funny voice. 1572 on Amy. Oh, we're getting some news. Russian Deputy PM Novak. Russia knows where it would redirect oil to if Europe and United States refuse it. Okay, probably China. I don't know. Biden to sign crypto order as industry faces sanctions pressure. Oh, is Bitcoin selling off? Hold on. Riot. I mean, red candle, but nothing too crazy yet. What happened on March 3rd? You fell for the dirty trick. You fell for that dirty trick. Bad stock only mean delist. Yes. Stock delist, bad stock. Inverted head and shoulders on the SPY. What time frame? I mean, like here, sort of? Not really. This would be like if they were like this. Like, I don't know about that one. Read they're Mason, China, and India. That's what I thought. I immediately just thought China off of that. An embargo on Russian oil may send prices above 300 per barrel. Says, okay, that's ridiculous. So I'm going to hold the Oxy Strangle. So, well, I thought March 3rd went well. I mean, it went well for people that were like, yeah, I don't know about this. I don't want to go to the gym. Rands, I'm going to tell you something right now. Stop being a bitch. Go to the gym. It'll make you feel better. That's tough love right there. That's honestly, that's what I needed to hear for like the last couple of months when I was not going to the gym. And you know what I've been doing? Going to the gym every day for like the last 3 weeks. So Rands, stop. Okay, sorry. Tough love. I'm sorry. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. We're having fun today. Rockies, what are we doing here? Rands, take your new wrench to the gym. Yeah, exactly. Go test it out. I went to the gym. I'm exhausted. Bro, you don't go to class. Exactly. But I'm more productive, though. I'm more productive than anybody that does go to class, I feel like. I just don't want to go. Like, why are we doing this? You went to the gym, you're exhausted? Dude, you know what today is today, Rands? For me, leg day. You know what I hate and I always skip? Leg day. You know what I'm doing today? I think you know by now. All right, 1569 on AMC. Let's see. We're going to get Adam Aaron on here. Not on my stream, but like we're going to get the Adam Aaron interview in about 40 minutes. So let's see. Lies. All right, let's see here. 1569 on AMC. No, I haven't had Moe's in a while. I've been eating healthier, feel a lot better. Best method, 1348 or 920. I haven't tested out 920 enough. 1348 is still solid. 920 should be a precursor to the 1348 in terms of a cross, but if it's a precursor, it leads the potential for more fake outs. So just keep that in mind. Just be careful with it. Ethan, thank you so much for the super buddy. I appreciate that. SB, let's be fair to Lou. My knowledge, he didn't say this year, so maybe he was talking about March 3rd, 2023, 22. You never know. All right, don't hate the guy too much. Gotta work on my squat thrust for the ladies. The hip thrust, bro. Okay, we're not doing this. Who needs class when we have Twitter University? True, man. Gym is overrated. I work construction. Same difference. Okay, well that's different. Like now you're just doing like physical exercise all day, every day. Like you're good to go. You probably have like gorilla grip. You can just if you needed to, you could just hold on to something for a very long time. Like AMC. All right, here we go. I can't lose weight because of Mexican food. That's an excuse. That's definitely an excuse. You could easily just eat less. You can pretty much eat anything you want, just don't eat as much of it. 920s for scalps. There you go. Defective Shadow. Thanks for the super, buddy. What's this gym thing? 1348 gains for me. Woo! There you go. All right. Lockheed trying a little bit here. Spy flickering around. Oxy Strangle. It's fine. I'm a couch potato. Well, now a Corsair champion. All right. You ever heard of the Wim Hof method? Yeah. Isn't that like the breathing thing? Hold on to something like AMC. Dude, I got the jokes today. I got you guys. Spy not looking good. Print Putin's print. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this little YOLO put into the end of the day just to see what happens for fun. Just hold it, Eat once a day. Well, that's aggressive. Eating once a day is aggressive. We need an at the money share offering. That's silly, Brad. No, we don't do that. We do not need that. Let's see. All right, Amy. Well, we're trying to get this little 5-minute MACD cross over here. Come on. You can do it, pal. Let's get back up to 16 here before AA comes on. Our silverback starting to talk with his, technically Adam Aaron sent out a bat signal, which I thought was funny. He must have read my tweet. Maybe. I doubt it. Because I was just like, hey, is this the March 3rd bat signal? And then he just sent out another one where it was just like, he took out the bat symbol. And then he was just like, it's a $sign now. And I was like, all right, that's kind of cool. All right, Spy just flickering around over here. Oxy coming down a little bit. Let's see. Lockheed, what are we doing here? I think Lockheed's just going to chill for the rest of the day. Oh, coming up a little bit. Not bad. Or eat once every 2 weeks. Yeah, you can't do that. Sometimes you just got to cram the gym into your schedule. Call it Jim Crammer. Okay. We need to make AA more rich so he can make us more rich. He already has a lot of money. They have a giant war chest right now. So AMC and the amount of money that they have right now is like pretty big. So they can do a lot of stuff with it. A lot of stuff. Keto legit works. No. Stop. All your diets are the same. It's just eat less or eat more of it's. That's all it is. Made 113.48 trade so far. It was a loss. Now I don't want to play it. Why? Why? You're going to take losses. All right. Lockheed coming up a little here. Spy flickering around. We got Amy 1568. Let's see. You lose 5 pounds every time you eat Mexican. Yeah, but what's the net loss though? What's the net loss on it? Yeah, just deficit. Nah, bro, lost 100 pounds on keto. No, that's not how it works. Your body reacts to food the same way. It's all the same. It doesn't care. Yeah, you can increase your fat levels. That's fair. But if you're getting enough, okay, why are we doing fitness? Are we doing fit? I literally used to, I'm not an exercise like study major person. But I know the stuff. Literally just eat less, have enough protein, and stop making it too complicated. It's literally just like trading. It's the same exact thing. Keep it simple. Keep it very, very simple, and you'll be good to go. What have I started? You know what, Rands? You've unlocked a monster. Is this stocks or fitness? Exactly. You're going to fit this whole pizza in your mouth? There you go. I'm not here to be healthy. You know what? You should be. Study major person? Yeah, exactly. Stop drinking soda. Yeah. Insulin response creates different results. Right. But I feel like that's true. If your body reacts to insulin a little bit differently, you're going to have to do things differently. Cool. That's like saying that's like in terms of trading, that's like, I can't trade options. I can only trade stocks. It's like, okay, but like the strategy is the same. It's like pretty much like the underlying stuff is the same. All right. We're done with fitness stock. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, literally just don't eat a shitload and exercise. Make it so you can do it consistently. Don't do like a diet because you're not going to be able to do it forever. Do something that you can do forever. Then you're good to go. 1348 on pizza. Simple as easy. Yeah, exactly. It's like playing blackjack, not trying to win every hand, just trying to win more hands than you lose. Exactly. It's just like trading. Let's see. Wait, exercise? Yeah. All right, guys. As you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. We are gonna get Adam Aaron in about 30 minutos. How heavy can you squat and deadlift, Fix? You just heard me say that I've been a consistent leg day skipper for a while, so not a whole lot. I'll throw out a workout plan in the Discord. I'll get you guys shredded. Did I get a chance to look at Husa? Yeah. Dude, it's like hot in here. I know I'm wearing a hoodie and I think it's warmer outside, but it's getting steamy in here. You aren't ever hungry on keto? Yeah. Or just like, I hate to say it, but like, don't cave in. What's up, Sue Ray? How you doing? You jumped into an interesting conversation over here. All right, we're getting more news. Let's see what we're getting over here. Oh, fast stock news. FYI, getting a brand new computer today, so the news is going to be even faster. U.S. collecting evidence of possible Russian war crimes in Ukraine. Oh, God. That's not good. That's not good. CEI going again? Interesting. I'm not messing around with it, but I mean, I know you got, wow, 80% on 78% on the day. That's not bad. SPY coming down. Where's oil? 119.26. Man, I can't. No, I wouldn't make a new Discord for my work for the exercise plan. I think JP, another guy on Twitter, does it in his. So you guys could just go to his. Moderna, what's up with Moderna? It's down 5%, not doing a whole lot right now. Where's Lockheed? Probably selling off with the SPY. It's kind of been moving with the. Nah, it's coming up now. Interesting. Trust me, bro. What's up, Trey Spider? How you doing, buddy? Let's see. Ethan, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Don't be a Dorito man. Don't skip leg day. Dude, I know. Honestly, over the past couple of weeks, I've been like, screw it. I'm doing it. I don't care anymore. And I've been very sore, which is fine. I feel like that's just going to happen. Can I order food using the 1348 method? No. What were the plays today, dude? I'm nursing this Oxy Strangle. I got some Lockheed for next week just in case. Made a little bit on the SPY. Fat fingered an earlier Lockheed. Just kind of a slow day today. I didn't really do anything wild. So we're gonna get Adam Aaron on here in about 30 minutes. We got Lockheed starting to come up here a little bit. SPY moving down. Getting interesting over here. Oxy and Berkshire Hathaway news on Reuters. Yeah, that already came out. I don't know if it's going to be moving the stock now because they could also put something out that like Carl Icahn sold the last of his stake because he did that too on Occidental. Exercise helps out with the algorithm. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button. It's all I ask for. It just helps me out a whole lot. So thank you guys. All right. I've considered dumping out my Taco Bell tacos into the toilet. Okay, that's gross. You heard AMC is merging with Lockheed. You would be wrong. Wheat and corn options going positive position close only on Charles Schwab. What? Well, they must be expecting wheat to go wild. Jesus. Yeah, wheat's still coming up off that 1348 cross. Mullen still printing. There you go. Mullen, what do we got? It's all right. 113, 114. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Russia says Europe is pushing us to halt oil and natural gas exports. Russia says if it halts oil and natural gas, oil prices will go north of $300 a barrel. I feel like that's a threat. Like, I feel like they're not actually going to do that. Like, there's no way. I mean, oil to $300 a barrel, there's no way, man. If that hits this week or like over the next couple of weeks, if I roll out these oxys, if they hit, we'll be millionaires. Like, that would be the most insane thing ever. Husa's over $10. Dude, I was buying that thing at like 40 cents like years ago, man. And I think I sold it. Like, I was like, this is dead. I'll just buy more AMC with it. Little did I know that oil was going to go. So the other thing is that when oil went negative, like Husa was probably dead. I probably would have been like, this sucks. But where is it right now? Husa. Wow. Big candles up 400% on the day. That's insane. Careful with this though. You're making wheat more expensive by buying the ETF. Please, nobody say that. That's just silly. The other thing is like that's the same thing with gold. I heard something very, very interesting. If you start buying, like gold, like miners, they're essentially short gold. If you think about it, sort of like this is it's kind of a logically flawed argument, sort of, but technically they short gold. Because think about this, they mine it, they put it together, and then they sell it. So yes, it is in their best interest for gold to be as high as possible so they can make the most money and they don't have to buy it back or anything, but technically they're short gold, like actual gold. It's weird. So I was listening to this podcast with this guy and it's this Bitcoin billionaire guy who was like arguing against gold. So he's going to say some nonsense stuff. And I was like, wait a second, that kind of makes a little bit of sense. Every purchase is a short exempt. I don't know about that. People are hilarious thinking that. Yeah, I know. What do I have for breakfast usually? Air. I don't usually eat breakfast. 185 target, quite possible. Dude, if that happens, they dilute gold. Exactly. So technically, they're short in the futures. Yes, they technically are. But they do dilute the price of gold. So technically, they're shorting gold. Sort of. If you can make that mental leap, they're technically short gold. Same thing with like oil, sort of like oil producers. Oh yeah, Harry? Oh yeah? That is completely the BS. They are not short gold, but they do inflate the supply. It was a flawed argument. I told you that before I said it. I told you it was a flawed argument before I even said it. And I like when you think about it, they're inflating the price. They do want it to stay as high as possible though. So they're like gold bulls, but they flood the supply. It's weird. It's a very weird dynamic. Paul, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. They sell gold that they have not mined yet. Exactly. Clove crossed over. Can you pull up the chart? Interested on your thoughts? Thanks. Yeah. Clove is what we're looking at. Clove. Where did it cross over? On what time frame, buddy? What time frame was it? Here's another imaginary $5. Shredda. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Where this did not cross today. CEI dumping. Oil coming down. Yes, you did, but the miners do not inflate the price, just the supply. Right, which decreases the price. Baphomet, I don't know what that is. Say my name. Interesting. Are you some sort of like devil worshiper? That's kind of weird, boss. Thanks to the super, but like that, I think that's weird. I think that's a bit strange. Oh, the 4 hour? Gotcha. I'm not trying to be judgy over here. I'm not trying to judge anybody. You're trying to put a spell on me. Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna tolerate that. We're gonna have a no nonsense policy to trying to put spells on VIX. We're not having that. Not above the 200 EMA yet on the 4 hour, so I wouldn't touch it. Amy 1547. SPY moving back down here. Oxy, what are we looking at here? Is Oxy coming back down or is it moving up? Oxy selling off here a little bit. So naked gold. Yeah. I guess so. Miners aren't speculators. They want to be profitable on their operations. That runs the risk of taking another successful business. True. I know. I told you it was flawed, and I said it was stupid going in. That person just had you summon a demon. You're on your own. I don't think you can summon a demon if you don't intend to. I feel like that's the rule. You have to know what you're doing. You have to like know, like, yeah, this is what I'm trying to do. I feel like there's intent. You need to have intent, you know? 1556 on Amy. Trying to come back up a little bit here. Here comes the Lockheed. Yeah. Zero tolerance for spells, but them ankles put a spell on all of us. Okay, fair. I mean, I can put spells on you, I guess, but you're not allowed to try to put spells on me. That's not allowed. We can't have that over here. Feel free to put the money-making spell on me. All right, yeah, we can do that. The only positive spells we can have. Oil about to cross down? Yeah. Harry, thanks to the super, buddy. I really appreciate that. Keep up the good work, brother. AMC to the moon. Harry, I really appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Just Creamer. Let's see. AMC utilization still at 100%. That useless data point. Yes. It's just very useless, I believe. I don't see any credence to having that on there. All right. We got 20 minutes until AA. Is it at 3? He usually comes on a little bit later. Where's the there it is. All right. We're going to put it on and then turn off the volume on it. What are they talking about? Advertisement. Here we go. Pushing. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Amy or text, please. Got you, bud. 273,000 net borrow, 20.86% estimated short interest. The big difference between the shares on loan, it's like 17, 18 million shares. The difference between the shares shorted, and then the shares on loan right now. Lockheed's about to get a 5-minute MACD or 5-minute 1348 cross to the upside here. What is this, Hogwarts? Dude, we literally saw, I said earlier today that I think Vlad should just retire and then just be young Professor Snape in a Harry Potter movie. I think that would be a much more successful career path for him. And now you're trying to put spells on me. Like, this has just gone too far at this point. Jared, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. We need to cast a spell on Kenny G. Yeah, HYMC. Yeah. Thank you. Pushing anytime, buddy. HYMC. Walmart or text? No, stop it, Squirrel. Your name is Harry? I said your name was Harry. Did I say Henry? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. Sometimes I can't read. Young Snape Netflix series. Yeah. And he can be like, he can steal from the rich and give to the poor. How about that? How about that? This thing's up 17% over here. I mean, this is a weird chart. Oh, it's ripping right here. You live in your own made simulation. Pretty much, man. Pretty much. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. We are going to get AA here in a little bit. I'm just kind of watching for him. Making money with Charles Payne. There we go. What's he talking about here? What are you talking about, Charles? Breaking market news. Oh, interesting. Sponsored by TD Ameritrade. NASDAQ. Okay, cool. The breaking news is NASDAQ's down. Interesting. I see if he can't read because he skipped school. Yeah, pretty much. All right. Where's Lockheed and Oxy? See, Vlad literally looks like the sheriff of Nottingham. Oh, interesting. I don't know what that is, but U.S. crude oil futures sell at $119.40 a barrel, up $3.72, 3.22%. Not bad. Oh, nice. 68% on the SPY put that I have, the YOLO. Ooh, the Lockheeds are coming back. That's not bad. Ooh, the Oxy Strangle's looking good over here. Oh, hold on. Iron Net. Something going on. Coming up. Little 1348 crossover here. This one could get interesting. Friday proved it's possible. Ryan, that's true. I can't hate on the Walmart stuff. It's Harry. It's very easy to lose money with options if you don't have a strategy. Like, very easy. If you have a strategy, you're good to go. But if you don't have a strategy, you're going to struggle. All right, folks. Let's see what we got here. Guys, also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. I don't ask for much. Just hit that like button. You guys hate that, don't you? That means I'm going to keep doing it. If you're having low confidence, go to Walmart and look at the people. Okay, Rands. That's not very nice. My strategy is to go nuclear. Okay, well, interesting. The ORF. Press briefing by Psaki's coming up. Canada's Alberta province waiving provincial fuel tax due to high oil prices. Says will move will save, hold on, consumers 13 Canadian cents a liter at the pump. Ryan, you're about to save 13 cents, bro. I lost so much money before I started using this strategy. Yeah. And you guys can get alerts for free if you pop into the link into the Discord in the top over there, and you can get your training wheels before you're ready to jump into the premium with the big boys and actually make some real money. You get a lot with the premium, but we do offer you alerts on 5 stocks on the 3-minute time frame in the free chat. A hailstorm just came out of nowhere. Oh, Ryan, that's kind of wild. You're getting a hailstorm and you're getting savings on gas. Universe taketh, universe giveth. All right, BBY puts. Ooh, there you go. SPY broke 422. Ooh, new lows on the SPY. 5-minute MACD cross down. Watch out below. Lockheed, what you doing here, pal? See, that's not what we want. Oxy, what you doing here? Nope, that's the wrong one. I think that's the warrant. Oxy just kind of hanging out. All right. Let's see. You sold cover calls in my position. I sold 3 calls. You had 465 shares. Oh no, William, what have you done? Did you get called away? That's not good. I've decided to save gas money by staying at home and watching SCB. There you go. Oh, the Hoos elevator is going to be. Yeah, Hoos is crazy. I mean, it'll probably come down at some point, but we'll see. We'll see. Riot puts Bitcoin dropping. See, that's what we were looking at before with Bitcoin dropping. And is Riot coming down now? But 1348 cross down. The problem is with Riot today is that if you have a 1348 cross up, you're going to do a lot of this nonsense up here. If you have a 1348 cross down, what you have right here is you're going to do with this low right here at 1468. That's not a big enough move, especially on a Monday. If this was a Friday, I'd be like, all right, do it. Let's play it down to the next low. You'll make 50% on it. But now, what are you going to make? Like 10% on this little move with the IV the way it is? It's like, not worth it. Unless it really starts to tank and makes new lows. I paper handed the SPY before that last big candle. Yeah, see, the thing is that if you want to be able to diamond hand stuff, just trade with less money you don't care about. You're like, all right, whatever. Like the last amount of cash that I have settled in my account, I'm like, okay, cool. Like, what are these contracts up now? 83%. It's barely any money, and I'm just playing it to just mess around to feel something. But I mean, it's a 1348 cross down. I think oil will rally again in power hour. It could. It easily could, man. CTRX. Can I check the Ortex? Yeah. Citrix is what that sounds like. CTRX is not popping up. CRTX. Or Texine. That's kind of a weird name. 34% estimated short interest. 7.35% average cost to borrow. How? Okay. Well, this doesn't make a whole lot of sense here. Ready? Want to see something that doesn't make a whole lot of sense? Percentage of the free float on loan, 20%. Estimated short interest, 34%. That makes no sense. Shares on loan, 3.72 million. Okay, cool. Estimated short interest, 6.39 million. Well, I don't know about that. Is HUSA still going? Jesus. This freaking thing. Oh my God. This thing is on a moon mission today trying to get above 10. Which oil stock do I recommend to play? I mean, you can do like Exxon. Exxon's going to move nicer. Oxy just doesn't move nicely sometimes. Sometimes it'll give you everything you've ever wanted in the world. And sometimes oil will rip and Oxy will just be like, sorry, bro, not feeling it today. And you're just like, all right, cool. That's why I have a strangle on it for this week. Just depending on what happens. Lockheed, how's this doing? Ooh, pop, pop. Exxon's moving. Yeah. Well, June, they've been trying to do that. I don't know if they're going to be able to, though. I mean, he's survived a lot of the attempts. I don't know. I honestly don't know what's going to happen here. Lockheed trying to get a 5-minute MACD cross over here. CBX finally going in the right direction for you. There you go, man. Laddered out some of my Mullen contracts, but contracts don't expire to the 18th. Holding some freebies. Ben, there you go, buddy. Ben, you're really good at the freebies. Like, Ben's really good at making stuff free, and then whatever he's made free, he's just like diamond handing it. 30K down. You hope it ends soon? Well, we are giving you the tools to make it back. Because it could take a while for AMC to play out. It could take a while. But we're giving you the tools in order to make it back in the meantime. So you don't really have to not care about it, but like you're like, all right, cool, whatever. You're going to get gas today before it goes up anymore. Dude, just buy oil futures. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. The crude oil is not the same thing. Oxy pop? Ooh, Lockheed coming back to life. Oxy little pop. What's the Oxy strangle at? Oxy strangle. The puts and calls are back into the green. That's hilarious. You just bought more AMC and Doge? There you go, man. Good job. AAL hit 52-week low. Oh, boy. JP Morgan, the largest investor in the land order of wheat in Ukraine, runs wheat commodities weekend. Ooh, interesting. GME hurting. Yeah, GME had oh, my God, 10%, almost 11. Now it's 11% red day right now. Amy's down about 6.2. Dane. I thought you were making a funny comment for a minute. 1348 is a good distraction from AMC. Keep learning and teach yourself some valuable information. Yeah. Poppin' Oxy. Yeah, it's coming up a little bit here. There goes Lockheed. There we go. They want it dead. It won't be dead unless we say it is. These cannot be the same Americans who fought the person over tea. I don't think so. Oil tickers are paying for my gas at $4.59. That's the point. Everybody was yelling at me when I was trading oil, and I was like, it's gonna go up. You're gonna need money to pay for gas. Oil's gonna go up. Make the money here. And people are like, no. And I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna trade oil because I have to pay for gas. And it worked. Julie, I've doubled my account with 1348 so far. Wasn't doing so hot before. See, it's pretty good. Guys, if you want free alerts to test it out and then get your training wheels on before you're ready to get into it with the big boys in the premium, Discord link's pinned to the top of the chat. It's the first link in the description. There you go. We're giving it to you. It's right there for you. It's all the information is completely laid out for you. You have an actionable way to make it work for you for free before you want to get into the actual, like, take it seriously phase. The worst oil baron ever. I'm not the best. Not going to lie. Go, Oxy. Is it running? Running. I didn't click it. This is why I don't trade on my phone. I mean, trade on my computer. Oxy's trying here. He needs a 1348 cross and a break above this 200 EMA. It helps you maintain discipline and stick to your plan. Actually take profit. Exactly. I like it. Confu. There you go, man. All right, folks. Let's see what we get over here. Oxy, 5509. We got Spy kind of flickering around here a little bit as well. Amy coming down a little bit. What's max pain for Amy today? Well, there's no max pain today. It's a weekly max pain because that's when the contracts expire. But let me take a look. I think it was 1850 over the weekend when we were looking at it, and we'll get a better indication of what it is tomorrow. 18 flat for this week so far. Is Illis being shorted? Yes, everything's being shorted. My Oxy calls are coming back to life. I mean, my Strangle's probably looking good over here. I mean, tomorrow we'll see what happens with it, but Lockheed looking all right. Love my Oxy. There you go. 1348 or not pre-market. No. I mean, you need to have after hours on, but they're not actionable in the pre-market. You have over $1,000 profit in SHIB. Would you sell and play 1348? I can't tell you what to do if you want to do it. I mean, the strategy's out there for you, and I'll help you with it. If you want to keep your SHIB, though, go for it. Looks like everything is going to sell off into close. It's possible unless you have like some inverse plays like Oxy, Lockheed, stuff like that. They're not really inverse. They're just going to move kind of unrelated to the overall market if things driving them start to go in the right direction. Amy does not like it. Amy doesn't like a whole lot of things today. Amy's just pissed at us. We're not giving Amy enough. We're not giving Amy what she needs right now in the relationship. 1545 on AMC right here, down about 6.7%. Oh, you were answering a question? Gotcha, buddy. Paper handed the SPY puts. Didn't like all the moves above 13 million. Yeah. Are you talking about Ben? Are you talking about like unusual whales? Yeah, MC Busket. I feel like you asked it, or either somebody asked this like every day. The SPY boxes. It's just I go on the 4 hour. That's the wrong chart. Go on the 4 hour. I just look for when the price kind of tops out, makes a V, and just chops around. And then I just draw a little bit of a box. You can watch videos on it, though. I think Trey has a video on it. And then there's this guy, Carmine Rosado. I think is his name. That's his whole trading method, and it's really strong. So, little Oxy pop. Let's see if Lockheed's going to get this cross. Did it yet? Lockheed did just cross. Husa going parabolic, 400%. Yeah. Bat signal. Nah. You paper handed the SPY calls too. Still made 60%. The puts, I'm guessing, is what you mean. SPY's coming down now. Watch a new low on the SPY. See, here's the thing. When everybody complains about AMC being down, it's like the market's down 2.5% right now. That's a lot. Like, that's a big move in the SPY. You average down to 18 from 42. There you go, man. Puts, I mean? Yeah. Jim, there you go, buddy. Out of Mullen with a 32% gain. There you go. All right, we should be getting Mr. Adam Aaron coming on in a little bit here. Berkshire Hathaway reveals $5 billion stake in Occidental Petroleum. Ooh, they're talking about it right now. What the heck? It's gonna happen. But we're looking at the technology names, Roblox. Okay, well, this dude Rob is talking about his stocks to watch. I'm not really sure who Rob is, but Rob's talking about the stocks that he likes. But we're waiting for Adam Aaron to come on in a minute. Okay, so he's supposed to come on at 3, I think you guys said. But they're probably going to be late as usual. They're all late. They're always late. Amy coming down a little bit here. New low on SPY. Yep. What are those contracts at right now? They're probably getting slapped in the face by Theta. Wow, they're actually up 100% right now. That's cool. The Oxy Strangle's doing good. US 2 to 10-year yield curve flattens. Oh boy. Tilt. What's TLP doing on this? TLP candle. Who's not a dead cat? I wish I knew. I wish I knew. Account is up 51% on the day, and I'm out of settled cash. Not a bad day. Dude, that's an amazing day. That's an amazing day. Lockheed, Oxy. Let's see. I like Mondays. I get bored on the weekend. I get so bored on the weekend. All right, here. Saki's doing her thing over here. We're gonna get Adam Aaron in a few minutes. Need some 1,000% days. Yeah, well, that if you have 1,000, you can have 1,000% play, but 1,000% day, that's crazy. That means you would need to have like a 10,000 or 100, like a crazy gain on a trade that you went pretty big on. SPY trying to come back up, test this 13. Amy flickering around over here. Which do you prefer, bear or bull market? I think when things are selling off, it's easier to trade. I think it's easier to trade when things are selling off because they move quicker. So you don't have to stay in positions for that long. Yeah, bear market's a little easier to trade in my opinion. It's just like things go down, things are going to move down quick. When there's a bull market and you start to see things go up, yeah, you still got to pick your winners. Like there's still going to be stocks that could suck, but like if there's things selling off, it's all going to come down. Hoos is up 410%. That's drunk. Yeah. Why is no one covering at this price? They keep shorting more and more because it's personal and they think that we're going to leave. I say, fuck you. I'm not going anywhere. Why would I go anywhere? What's changed? We're going to have great news fundamentally coming out about the company. We have a good direction of where the company is going to go and the shorts want to push it down. Screw them. I don't care what they have to say. I don't care what their spreadsheets tell them about their fundamental value. I don't care that they're just going to have more money than us, then they can just strategically short it down and bend the rules. I don't care. Screw them. This week is going to be wild. Yeah, it's going to be very wild. Very wild. All right, let's see. We're on a commercial right now. We might be getting Adam Aaron after this. Let's see here. CTRM, Castor Maritime running. See, CTRM was an interesting like macro play where you could have looked at like the Baltic Dry Exchange Index and like messed around with it, but it didn't end up going, which was weird. They typically underperform though. Those dry bulk shippers typically underperform a lot. So that's the risk you run with that. They'll want AMC at 9. I mean, just fuck them. I don't care. Bring it to 9. See what happens. Nothing will change. Let's say the 13 crosses up on the 48, but both EMAs are below the 200. It doesn't matter if the EMAs are below the 200. It matters if the price is above or below the 200. That's what really matters. AA charges more for movies. Now I need a bag of apples. Why apples? What's up? All right, Oxy trying here a little bit. Let's see. Where's Lockheed? Still at 70. Yeah, that's not bad. Now that I have 1348 to distract me, I will continue to sit on my AMC shares and gift myself more, ready for the squeeze whenever the shorts are. Exactly. That's the point of 1348. Let's see here. All right. Let's see if Adam's going to come on soon. Still on commercial over here. Hold on. The takeaway. Interesting. So Charles Payne's about to wrap up. I think Liz Clayman's about to come on. I honestly don't know. I don't even know for sure. Somebody was just saying it in the live chat that he was coming on. Let me see. Would Liz Clayman tweet that out? Let's look. Oh, yeah. Oh, she is getting CEO, Adam. Interesting. Okay, so at 3 p.m. Eastern, so that's like now, we should be getting Adam Aaron. I don't know. Wait, is it the show starts then? Yeah. Okay. So it should be like right now, we should be getting Adam Aaron. Like over the next couple of minutes, it should pop up on the screen that we're getting Adam Aaron. So I'm going to tweet this out a little bit just to kind of see. All right. Let's see when we're going to get it. Let's see here. It's coming. So Charles Payne's still speaking, so we got to wait for Liz Clayman to come on, but it is going to be coming up in a few minutes. We got Spy moving around a little bit here. Amy's a couple of green candles in a row. Nothing too crazy going on with it, though. Let's see. March 8th, not financial advice. Oh, God. You think TMI is getting a Liz interview soon? Ooh, that would be really cool if TMI did that. Can the 1348 strategy be useful for someone who can't focus on the charts majority of the workday? Yes. So we actually are, I think we're working out something for you guys. So after these 2 weeks of like that little free trial of the free alerts, we're either going to be cutting the free alerts and making the free chat and everything a small fee so you guys can get the training wheels, or we're going to leave the free chat and then give you daily time frame alerts on every stock in the Russell 2000 for that small fee as like training wheels if you can't sit there and watch all the time. But it's not going to be meant for like the day traders. You still won't get access to the live streams. You still will need to be in premium for that. But we are working on something for everybody. Let's see. Oh, Liz Clayman's on now. I see Liz. Let's see. She's talking about the Dow. So Adam's not on yet. Hold on. We're getting some notifications over here on the tweeter. Chicago wheat settles at record $12.94 a bushel. Bushel. Let's see here, people. Yeah, also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here to watch Adam Aaron. August 269. All right. She's talking about Poland. Let's see. We're about to get it over here. You tell me why they didn't short the crap out of AMC today. What makes you think they didn't? They absolutely did. I'm going to start growing wheat. There you go. You still made 200% on SPY puts, 110% on DraftKings puts. Trey's mustache. Dude, love that. All right. Oh, here we go.
Aaron is here on the Cape Crusader success, whether AMC's test of surge ticket pricing worked over the weekend, and why he's so diligently pursuing a crypto strategy. We want to begin with this Fox Business Alert, a red-hot sell-off in progress in his final hour of trade. So at one point, the Dow dropped more than 700 points during the session. We're down 664 right now. The S&P and the NASDAQ pushing deeper into correction. We've got the broader S&P down 106, the NASDAQ down 393. Look at oil and energy. We thought the $10 swing in oil during a single session last week was pretty stunning. So far today, we have seen.
Okay, apparently she's just going to talk that she's going to put on Adam Aaron and then not put on Adam Aaron. So they're talking about oil right now. We'll leave this on for a minute until she gets Adam Aaron. I'm not putting it on. We're only listening to the audio just like we always do because YouTube freaks out and doesn't like it. So there's really no reason to watch the video. You just listen to it. It's the same thing. So Lockheed coming up a little bit here. SPY flickering around. Let's see. So Liz Clayman is just talking about oil right now. She did just talk about Adam, so that's why I put it on really quickly. But we are about to get Adam Aaron. Let's see. Will 1348 work if my account can only do covered calls? Not really. But you can trade shares. You can easily trade shares with it. She's talking about Elon on high gas prices over here. Or high oil prices. SPY's moving down a little bit. Lockheed doing its thing. Oxy, how's this looking? Trying here. This is going to be more of like a swing. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So same thing with Lockheed. I mean, I have the next week contracts to see if that's going to print, which I think it has the potential to do it. SV is the worst pirate on YouTube. Yeah, exactly. She said Batman ticket sales being high. Yeah, I mean, and they increased the price for it. So let's see. Wheat. They're talking about wheat. Our daily bread is what they called this just now. SPY still coming down a little bit here. The Russian ruble. Whoa.
Where it is on this.
It's like zero. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like zero. mean, buy rubles, I guess. Eventually it's going to come back if Russia doesn't like fail. Wait, can you guys hear me? Did I just click a button? Can you guys hear me? Are we good? I might have just clicked something. Can you guys hear me? Somebody let me know. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? You can hear me? Okay, cool. Sorry, I thought I clicked a button. Ruble. They're talking about the ruble. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate that. So Amy's still coming down a little bit here. Lockie trying to come up. Let's see. Thank you. I just saw something on the YouTube side and I was like, that's kind of weird. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps get more people in here for this Adam Aaron interview. I mean, he's probably going to say some interesting stuff about what happened with the Batman and these ticket sales and like how they're doing and where the popcorn sales are going. So this is going to be a decent interview. Like we saw what he said about the Spider-Man stuff. We're probably going to get a little bit of an update on the NFTs. How they did in terms of increasing the prices and what effect that had on ticket sales and what revenue they were able to generate. So a lot of good things potentially to come out of this interview. So this could be interesting. I mean, they're probably going to ask him some stupid questions like they usually do because they're Fox and they always tend to spew some nonsense over here. But Oxy's going to blow. I mean, Oxy. Just trying over here. Where's oil? 119.28. Not bad. Get ready for another price drop on the good news then. Fair. I mean, screw them. Like they want to drop it on good news. We'll just buy more. Screw them. Oxy doing all right. Lockheed 71. Nope. Coming down. Let's see. AMC to 20. Hey, that's where ankles is. Max Payne is 23. No, it's 18 for this week. Husa broke 10. Jesus. All right, let's see. They're still talking about Russia. So they're probably going to do Russia and then Adam Aaron. Or no, they're talking about gas. That's what they're talking about right now. Something is happening with BBY. I saw a big green candle. Now it's small and no wick. Yeah, they did that on, what do you call it? They did that on AMC this morning with giant candles. Amy, little pop here. We got SPY just on the way down, man. Let's see. Are these new lows? Yeah. What are these contracts up right now? 77%. Theta's coming to get them. SPY to 300s this week. I don't know about that. AMC trying? Not really. SPY's still coming down. New lows over here. Last time I bought AMC shares, I think it was 2 Fridays ago. I think it was 2 or 3 Fridays ago. Where do I get my futures info? I mean, I'm on investing.com right now. I'm just looking at I think they're a little delayed. I think on investing.com, they're a little bit delayed, but I'm not positive. Hey, looking for his pants. Yeah, maybe. All right. So still talking about wheat. Am I in StockTwits? No, I try not to now. TLT's tanking. Bond auction. TLT, big reds over here. Interesting. I don't know what's up with TLT. Did A fall asleep? No, they're just talking about different stuff. Defense utility sector up today. That's what they're talking about right now. Strategic Research Group Managing Director. Interesting. Let's see. I think I'm holding overnight again. Wish you luck. Good luck, man. Lol, AMC is not squeezing. Those still hoping for it are delusional. Hey, William, guess what? You can think that, which is fine. I think that you're looking at this from the wrong perspective because here's the thing. You haven't seen what happened with Overstock. Up, down, up, down, up, down in big ways. So when there's high short interest in a stock and you start to see it start to get very, very volatile, it starts to move like a sine wave. So wrong. It will most likely go up pretty big again. And they're continually getting fundamentally better as a company. If you think that it's going to fail as a business, well, I would say that you're wrong and you haven't really looked at it. But if you think that you're right, that's fine. Just short it and get the fuck out of my live stream because nobody cares what you have to think. The other thing is that one, like I just said, there's a bunch of high, like really, really high short interest in it. Why is that? Okay, well, very diplomatic. Yeah, well, you just wait. So when you have such high short interest in a stock that probably shouldn't be shorted like this, it's probably going to come down. It's probably going to go down a little bit, but eventually they're going to want to get out of their position. And retail investors can just come in and start buying it. So you can think that, but nobody cares what you think. Like literally nobody cares. Like it's just silly. It's just silly. Like, oh, IMC's never gonna squeeze. Why the fuck do you think your opinion matters? You self-entitled asshole. My opinion matters. It doesn't. My opinion doesn't matter at all. You guys could tell me all day, every day that AMC's not gonna squeeze, and I'd be like, okay, fuck off. I don't care. Every single person in this live chat could come to me and be like, yeah, you're wrong. And I'll be like, cool, I'm going to hold it. We'll see who's right at the end of the day. It doesn't matter. I don't care. Like I genuinely don't care. I've done the research. I know the potential of it. I'm holding it. Cool. Anybody else that thinks otherwise, their opinion, unless they have something valid to say other than it's dead, is their opinion's invalid. I don't care. One, most people, I hate to say it, are pretty stupid. So when somebody just randomly comes in, I'm automatically going to think, especially with no evidence, I'm just going to be like, you're pretty dumb. You haven't looked into anything. And I'm not saying that I'm smart. I'm just saying I've looked at it. You probably haven't looked at it, which is fine. Jeremy, thanks for the super, buddy. Here's $2 to ban him. Everyone has a right to their opinion. Wow, you are unreal. All right. Joanne, I don't really. You can go in the steps and think about what you've done. If your opinion is not based in any sort of fact or evidence, then your opinion is invalid. I will not validate opinions that do not have any sort of valid backing up. Not a hedge fund. My opinion matters. My opinion is he's a douche. Your opinion also doesn't matter. Like it does. Nobody's opinion matters. It doesn't. The market's going to decide at the end of the day. You can think I'm a big, mean a-hole for saying stuff like that. Where's AA? He's coming. He's coming. Don't worry. Dude, that was not mature of you to say. I don't care. That's the thing. It doesn't matter. It literally doesn't. If you don't have a valid argument to come in here and be like, this is why that I think it's because here's the thing. You're going to come in here and just be like, everybody's delusional. It's like, okay, well, you could have just came in and been like, okay, I think that this, and this are the reasons why it's going to continue to go down. And I think you guys might be wrong. That's a valid thing, and I will engage with that all day long. But if you're going to come in here and just be like, it's stupid, then Lee, I don't care. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, your opinion is irrelevant. Don't feed the trolls. No, it's fun. His true colors are showing. Exactly. That I like the stock, and I don't care what other people's opinions are if they don't have any, like, anything to back it up. I'm just like, okay, whatever. Goodbye. Like, I don't care. And they stop playing into them. You can't fix stupid. No, this is fun for me. Let's see. Oh, they're still talking about gas on Fox. Let's see. Like it literally, like this is just silly. Opinions are like a-holes. Like it. Yeah. Thanks to the supers, guys. But like, you can have an opinion. It doesn't mean that it's valid or right, or I have to engage with it or be like, no, awesome, great. No, that's not what it is at all. Rand's working the wrench hard today. There you go. Oxy running? Is it now? Ooh, Oxy's trying. We're going to get at him. Nah, she's talking about fertilizer right now. Let's see. I agree with you. You're absolutely right. And it's your stream. Yeah, exactly. It's a fake William. He likes to have fun. I do like to have fun with them. It's fun. It's a good time. Let's see. Is AA on yet? Oh, no. Did they just glitch it on me? Ah! That was scary. That scared me. It went black screen, and then it just came back on with a bunch of volume. Let's see. Dividend investor, thanks for the super, buddy. Do you continue to add your AMC position to average down? I thought you said your cost base is around 26. Yeah, I do it when I can. I do it when I can. You're waiting for your first victim? Ah! Dude, it was scary, bro. Bro, they're talking about fertilizer. Adam Air was supposed to be on 15 minutes ago, Liz. You're playing with the Oxy's coming up here. I like to see this. Spies moving down. That's not great. Why did GameStop get hit so hard today? I think they're trying to spread some weird, like, information that like, oh, Ryan Cohen doesn't like GameStop anymore. And it's like, no, that's not what it is. Oxy getting a little 1348 crossover here. Let's see what Lockheed's doing. Selling. Let's see. In my opinion, you're right. Your opinion still is relevant. Like, I'm sorry. It doesn't. You could say you're right. I think you're right because of this, this, and this. And then that's your opinion. That's what it is. It all has to do with like evidence backing. That's all it is. It's like, I think you're wrong because of this. Not like, I think you're wrong and you're delusional and you're a crazy person. That's like, okay, well, how are we going to do this? Will SPY break 420? Wait, did it hit 420.69? Oh, I just saw it. Screenshot it. It's frozen. It had it. Okay. I'm a child sometimes. I'm sorry. All right. They're still talking about fertilizer on Fox over here. Let's see. AA coming on. All right. Mine's probably a little bit delayed. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps get some more people in here to watch some AA content. Here we go. Wheat to 15. Dude, that would be great. That would be insane. But your opinion on opinions don't matter. Oh, you got me there. Not a hedge fund. That's true. Let's see. Oxy calls almost in the green. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Oil. Hold on. Okay. AA is probably coming on in a second. You guys are probably going to start spamming me like AA's on. And it's like a little bit delayed over here. Hold on. I might be getting it right now.
Sing the empire out. In the 11th hour last week, Warner Brothers pulled the new Batman movie from Russian screens. As AMC, the world's biggest theater chain, cashes in on the Cape Crusader, CEO Adam Aron is here first on Fox Business on Batman's box office success, how his theater community is looking at what Hollywood is doing right now when it comes to Russia, and so much more. How did his surge pricing test work out for tickets? Closing bell ringing in 45 minutes. The Claim and Countdown's coming right back.
Freaking advertisements. Come on, Fox. Exxon looks to have a strong finish. And they might, man. They might. All right, people. AMC blowout weekend. Nope, another commercial. That's kind of annoying. Like, not gonna lie, that's a little bit annoying. All right, guys, make sure you guys engage with content. Helps get this info out to some more people. And again, if you guys do want to get access to like a little bit of a taste of 1348 and the alerts that we have going on with it, make sure you check out the pinned comment in the live chat or the first link in the description of this video. You are going to get a little bit of a taste of 1348. You're going to get access to free alerts on the the 3-minute time frame that you can then execute on the 5 stocks. You're going to be able to test it out, put your training wheels on, then get into the big boy section in premium. If you just want to run it in premium, go for it. There's instructions in there on how to do it. But again, guys, we'd love to see you in here. Everybody's doing really, really good with it. Solid strategy. They're all learning. And again, it really helps you kind of be able to just like see where AMC is and just be like, okay, I'm making money on the side. I'm actually not red today. I'm actually green. So that's kind of what we want to see. Mm-mm-mm. 1348, my new best friend. There you go. All right, people. So we're still on commercial on Fox over here. Let's see what we're going to get. You're up 44% on Oxy. What am I? Oxy's, damn, I can't have these premium burn days on Oxy. I'll get sparked. I'm still up on the Strangle. That's pretty good. The call side's up 28%. The put side's down 6%. So the Strangle's looking good. The IV is still there on it. Let's see. If I applied 1348 to AMC, yeah, ever since November, it said it's going to go down. Let's see. Husa's running. Jesus, Husa. 520%. That's crazy. IRNT just shark finned. Ugh, I hate shark fins. Shark fins suck. Or text for AREB. Anytime, M. Creek. AREB. All right. Whoa, 100% utilization. 201% average cost to borrow. 26.66% estimated short interest. And freaking Husa's going on a moon mission. What even is Husa? It's Houston American Energy Corp. Oxy. Ooh, Oxy wants to get a little spicy. LMT. Back to 470. Nope, not yet. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you. I appreciate that. Made 100% on BBBY. There you go, man. Hit the like button before Robinhood removes it. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Let's see. Hey, is he on? Nah, okay, so I'm still on the commercial, but we'll be on there in a minute. All right, people, get ready for some Adam Aaron comments. It's gonna get spicy. It's Keenan's birthday? Is it actually? Long on Shills? Yeah. A is next. Yeah, he should be. I mean, I'm still on the commercial right here, unless they're like gonna keep making us wait, which is kind of annoying. Let's see here. He's on. Well, okay, so it's probably after this commercial that's on right now. Oh, it's a JG Wentworth commercial. Wow. 877 cash now. I have a new. Okay, sorry. Apologize. I didn't mean it. Fox Business Alert. Stop. I don't care. I don't care about your AT&T Fox Business Alert. Sorry, Liz Clayman. I'm here for one thing and one thing only. The Silverback Gorilla, Adam Aaron. He's got to be right. Who's the squeezing? Yeah, I bet it is. Holy shit. This thing is going nuclear. Who's a 14? Dude, it might. It freaking might. Is it actually Keenan's birthday? Oh, happy birthday, Keenan. Everybody make sure you guys wish Keenan a happy birthday. All right, folks. Oh, here we go.
Since the Batman hit his theaters, and AMC Entertainment Chairman, President, and CEO Adam Aaron joins us. Adam, I understand there was a scramble today to update the box office numbers because Sunday ticket sales came in way better than expected. How did AMC fare? Give us your best numbers.
Well, what you just said, Liz, is correct. And boy, did we have a great weekend. It was our third biggest weekend in over 2 years, our third biggest weekend of the pandemic era, second only to Spider-Man, because the first weekend and the second week of Spider-Man No Way Home were the two largest weekends. Warner Brothers has a huge hit on its hands. It's got an 89% Rotten Tomatoes audience score. As I said, it was our third biggest weekend in more than 2 years. We're just thrilled.
You must be thrilled. You also did a pilot program this time around on, I like how you called it variable pricing. Okay, it's surge pricing because of the more popular blockbuster films. You have said you might charge a bit more. You tested that. How did that work out?
Well, it was quite successful, but I don't want to use the word surge because we only increased the price about $1. I think it is a price increase, but it's a nominal price increase. And it was a big success. Our market share, which is normally around 25% in the United States, was 29% on this opening Batman weekend. So it's all signs go.
There is obviously a dramatic situation in Eastern Europe. Warner Brothers pulled the Batman movie from Russia that was supposed to open March 3rd. And in the 11th hour, they said, forget it, you're not getting it. Netflix has come out swinging against Russia. Same with Disney and Universal. You've got a lot of companies saying, forget it, we are not going to be party to this. Russia is the fourth largest film going audience country. And I'm just interested to know how the theater operators feel about Hollywood movie makers saying, we're out.
Well, AMC, the largest exhibitor in the United States and also the largest exhibitor in Europe, we don't actually have any theaters in Russia or the Ukraine or, for that matter, anywhere in Eastern Europe. So we're sort of a bystander to this directly, but everyone in the world has their eyes glued to what's going on in the continent of Europe. This is the largest ground war in Europe in more than 75 years. As you're reporting, it's not good for the Dow Jones. It's not good for stocks generally. Obviously, we hope that there can be a peaceful resolution to this as soon as possible.
Of course. I want to get quickly to cryptocurrency. You're taking Shiba, Doge, you're delving into this. What is the business benefit that you see long term? We've talked about this for a while, that you're very interested in pursuing crypto and you're already taking it in some cases. Where do you see the real opportunity for the bottom line?
Well, let me tell you the side benefit of having to program our computers to take cryptocurrency. We also had to program our computers to take Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal payments. And those three already are 15% of our total online ticketing. So already there's been an immediate benefit. Look, only time will tell how big cryptocurrency is. If there's an enormous opportunity for AMC, I think it might be to actually issue our own cryptocurrency. But the regulatory framework around crypto is rapidly changing. AMC as a company has always wanted to stay very far on the right side of the law. We certainly would never dream of doing anything but complying with every regulatory guidance there is for crypto. But that's the opportunity. We'll have to watch and see if we're able to take advantage of it.
Adam, congratulations on the big opening weekend of the Batman, and we'll continue to watch the ticket prices and everything that comes with it in there. Thank you so much.
All righty. So the key thing there was Adam Aron and AMC are going to be following regulatory guidelines to a T. They're not going to be doing anything that's going to potentially put them at risk. So that's a key thing. He keeps mentioning wanting to issue their own crypto, which I think is a really, really solid idea if he can end up doing that. But that was not a waste of time. Third biggest weekend in over 2 years. That's really good news. The price increase, good. It's all good. We're all good. So let's see. You guys are saying it's useless because it didn't move the price? Like, come on. What did you... No, stop it. Let's see. All right. All right, people. You guys don't mind hitting that like button on the way in. Just helps out a little bit with the algorithm. Let's see what we got over here. Was that Lou? No. The shills, dude? I mean, we got a lot of shills in here. A lot of shills. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with the content. Hit that like button on the stream. Crypto dividend. I don't know about that, but issuing their own crypto would be a very, very good idea, especially if they were able to like raise money off of it. It's like a secondary offering. Like it wouldn't be dilutive at all. And it's trying to pop up a little bit here. Oxy coming back down a little tiny bit. LMT. Let's see what we get over here. And it's coming down, bouncing off that 200. Algorithm. Yes, exactly. Tier 0 shills are all over the place on Twitter. Yeah, I mean, whatever, they can do whatever they want. I mean, you can have your own idea on that if you have evidence for it. I mean, that's fine. There's equal points on both sides. Let's see. Prices going up on everything. AMC stock on sale though. True. So it would be a deal right now then, right? David Morgan. Yeah, maybe. Not a shill. The questions were a complete waste of time. Not even relevant to AMC. I mean, they were. It was about ticket sales, which is very relevant. No AMC theaters in Eastern Europe. Yep. It would be called Lukine. I don't think so. Let's see here. Wonder if the shills have their own Discord and they discuss which YouTuber they're going to shill that day. I mean, they come around here and then I just yell at them for a little bit and then they just kind of like leave, which is fine. I mean, I just like hanging out with them. They're kind of fun to mess with. All right, let's see. All right, people. So we got about 30 minutes left in the market today. It's been a really, really fun day. We've been having some fun. So let's see. I mean, I got this Lockheed thing going into next week. We got Oxy. The Oxy Strangle is still green, I believe. Let's see what it's at right now. The Oxy Strangle still green. Ooh, the SPY put's coming down. That's only up 18% now. Oh boy. Crypto's just a waste of time. It's not, Brian. It's not. It's not. You know why? Because if they issue their own crypto and then they generate, I don't know, a couple $100 million, how's that a waste of time if it's a capital raise and it's non-dilutive to shareholders? This is actually a really good idea. The dividend investor, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I think people need a reminder that if they can't handle these types of ups and downs, how they handle the squeeze price fluctuations. I think that's a very good point, that it's going to be very hard. Like if you see the stock go from 500 to 200 in like 2 days, are you going to lose your absolute mind? Like these price movements are nothing. And like I keep saying it, I cannot say it enough. We have 1348 over here to help us kind of deal with this. So, I mean, we've given you all the tools that you need. And I feel like we should start to, I think we've seen the price fluctuation stuff start to like the freaking out, slow down a little bit, which is good. There are still people here though that are like, oh my God, no, like are freaking out still. But I mean, all you need to know is if you can make a little bit of money on the side in this market, you're good to go. We still have around the same number of holders. There's not much to worry about. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. At 200, the price is still 200. We are near zero right now. Right. But what if it went to 500 and then 200? Here's the thing. We were all in this when it was, or not all of us, but a lot of us here were in this sub 10. Now we're seeing it at what? 15? Do you know what happened when we went to 15 when we were coming from the bottom, like the downside? Everybody was freaking out happy. Same thing the last time. Like when we hit 30 coming to the upside, everybody was saying so, like everybody was so excited. But then when it came from the other side, it's because we got spoiled on the higher prices. And we were like, we all saw the number in our account, or we're like, oh my God, and we didn't like it going lower. It would be the same thing if it went from 500 to 200. Like you got to be all right with like witnessing the swings. And it's going to get to a point. I hate to say this, but it's going to get to a point where it's every man for themselves. Figure it out. Get your money, do your thing. Because everybody's going to have their own targets for what they want to sell at if we start getting to these high prices. So yes, we are all kind of like holding, making sure it's going to get, but like at the end of the day, you have to be a little bit selfish, right? You have to figure out like, okay, this is what I need out of this. You can do your thing and like navigate in and out. But at the end of the day, everybody's going to need something different out of this play. You can't expect somebody else like standing next to you that's going to have the same expectation because nobody does. So we will get to the point where it's like, if we start to get there and we're streaming, it's like, it's going to be wild in the live chat. Like it'll be crazy. People will be like, yeah, I made this much money. And people will be like, I'm still holding it, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, you got to remember everybody's in this for a different reason, trying to make a different amount of money in it and trying to see different prices. That's kind of what we all got to remember at that point. 1348, man, what a freaking trading strategy. I have $1,600 plumbing repair at home this week, made $2,500 on 4 trades with 1348, RD, and SCV and TMI for the win. Raul, there you go, man. Guys, if you want to test it out, the link is literally in the top of the live chat over here. There's no reason why you shouldn't at least be in the free chat getting those free alerts. There's no excuse for it. Learn the strategy, use the free alerts on those stocks that we're offering, and figure out if you want to get off the training wheels and play with the big boys. Let's see. Bad timing on my super chat a few minutes ago, but you tell me your thoughts on Mullen. Oh, Timothy. Yep. Sorry about that, buddy. That was right as it was coming on. Yeah. So Mullen, I think is going to be decent over the long term. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Right now with the price action on it, I'd be a little bit more careful. If it starts to come back to lower levels, then I would say, maybe this is a decent time to start getting in on it. But it's also equally as possible that it's just going to rip. So with that being said, I think it wouldn't be the worst idea in the world to start like scaling in with like smaller positions and don't blow all your money that you want to spend on it at one time. But again, it's going to come down to like what you're expecting out of it and like how long you're willing to hold it and like what your risk tolerance is and everything like that. Like, cause I know my risk tolerance. I don't know like your situation or everything. So I think it has a lot of potential. That's kind of like the most basic answer that I can give, but it's going to be very, very, what do you call it? Volatile. This guy talks a lot. You're talking to a streamer. Let's see. What's this? Oxy coming down a little here. SPY back down. Uh-oh. If I hold overnight, are my 20% stops likely to hit it open? They could get blown right through. You got to be very careful. Let's see. SV or the man? Not really. I just kind of hang around here. Does anyone know why the 200 EMA and the 5 minutes is different on Webull and TradingView? I think it has to do with the input. I think that's what we figured out. They're calculating it a little differently. ATR is running. Well, they have earnings tomorrow. Peter. Running. Where's this 1348? Right here. Comes above the 200 EMA. It's like, yeah, shark fin. Whoop, right up. Thank God he talks a lot. Otherwise, it would be boring. Yeah, imagine if I like just didn't say anything. This guy talks a lot. That has to be the dumbest comment on a streamer's video. It might be. It literally might be the dumbest comment that I've ever heard. Timothy, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Love what you do, STV. Thoughts on Mullen data? I'll pull that up for you right now, buddy. Thank you so much for the super, Timothy. I really appreciate those. That was, man, you guys don't have to do that. You guys know that. But special shout out to those of you guys who do. It helps out a whole lot. So thank you guys. Let's see. Mullen. 22.2% estimated short interest, 11.8% average cost to borrow, 99.69% utilization. I like the talking. Fair. Bed Bath & Beyond is starting to run, or is it just continuing to sell off? Oh, it's popping. It's popping. Dude, you're talking on a stream? What the fuck, man? Stay silent for a whole minute just to show how awkward would it be. I'll do it for like 10 seconds. Ready? Do you see how stupid that is? Do you see how not fun that is without me talking to you guys? Like, that's just weird. I'd just be like, all right, we're going to play Silent the Vix today. And it's just like, no, we're not doing that. Make it stop. Richard, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hey, SV, I just woke up. What's the price action today? Did something happen? Nah, the market's down like 2.5% right now. 2.7% now. Yeah, so the market's having a bad day, Richard. That's just kind of what it is. Like, you see, that was nice. Shut up, Jorge. Hey, what the hell just happened? When I stopped, that was so fun. No, I bet it. No way. We're not playing Silence the Vix. We're not doing that. Amy coming down, Spy coming down a little here. Loud noises. Stop losses does not work it open. I've been burned a few times. Yeah, holding overnight, you're kind of screwed. Stop you and your job and talking so much. Exactly. Can you stop talking? I'm not here for talking. I'm here for ankles. Well, in order to get that, we need the price to go above 20. So, oops. That's kind of what we would need over here. Also, guys, remember, as you're filtering in, try to help out and hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot, getting some more people in here. So thank you guys so much for all the support recently. It really helps out a whole lot. I just froze for 10 seconds. I know. I told you I was going to do it just to see, just to see how weird it would be. All right, people. FUD. Or no, fuel cell. All right, I can't read. I like hearing you talk. I have my earphones on at work. Can't watch the screen, so it really helps to hear what's going on. Thank you. Ape Trader. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. BBY is trying over here. It's doing its best. 1525 on Amy. What do we got? Oh, is William back in here? Where's my boy, William? Where's William? Which William was it? There's a lot of William shills in here. You gave me anxiety by purposely not talking for that time. Yeah, exactly. Spy biggest red day this year was 2.6%. Jesus. 160% on X pokes on the shark fin. JT. Attaboy. Dude, almost. How about we just call out when X is ripping and then just buy puts on it? Because this is just what's been happening. It's just like rip puts. Last week, this is what I did. I was like, oh, rip calls. Awesome. Shark fin. Oh, no. Let's see. I'm not a shill. William, I know you're not a shill. I know you're not a shill, William. I know. Don't you worry, pal. I know the deal with you, pal. All right, everybody. What do we got going on over here? Just started an active trading strategy when I started watching in kind of shark puts. Nice ring to it. Yeah. If AMC can't hold any technical levels and continue to be controlled, shorts have 10 million shares to use. Should we still believe the MOS without SEC force? I would say stop thinking the SEC is going to do something to move the price. Stacks Ape Nation. There you go, buddy. Thanks for the super. Talk Vix. Ape shall not be silenced. Facts. Every time SCV stops talking, I check to see if YouTube's buffering. Dude, imagine that. You just talk all day long. It's weird. It feels normal to me. And then I like kind of don't say anything for like the next like bunch of hours after I record a video. But like, you know, what's this? X steal. Oh, Spy. Is it going to break that 420? Spy selling. All right. These puts that I have are probably worthless right now with Theta. Yeah. Oh, wow. They went up 75%. This is pretty wild. All right. So I'm going to sell this just because, you know, just to like take some money back off like an 80%. Hey, why aren't you filling me? That was so rude of you. That was so mean. You're just so mean, Spy. You're not going to fill me on this? Wow. I'm losing like $7 right here on my YOLO Spy put. That's so mean. All right. Let's see here. The Oxy Strangle is still good. One Adam Aaron. Oh, we got that. It was a little while ago. I'm going to change the title now. What's this say? We had Adam Aaron on we had the interview on a little while ago. Forgot about that. SV loves getting filled. Don't use Robinhood. I don't use Robinhood. Here come the filling me jokes. Yeah, exactly. Here they come. All right. Spy doing its thing over here. Where's Lockheed? LMT. Let's see. No point in being here. You know what, Phil? That was mean. Let's see. I remember other stocks rocketing before AMC and people were like, distraction. Yeah, it's weird. It's just strange. SPY moving back down here. Let's see. You buy puts on Robinhood, like the stock, or you buy puts on Robinhood on Rob. Okay, I'm confused. There's a lot of different outcomes of this that it could be. You could be like buying puts on Hood. You could be buying puts on other stocks on Robinhood's platform, or you could be buying Robinhood puts, Hood puts on Hood. That could be interesting. SB, please read my pin tweet when you get time. Thanks, bud. Average Ape, I will definitely do that, man. You know what? Don't get left holding the bag. No, that's not a real stock. You're lying to me over here. UVXY gaining. Uh-oh, SPY. Where's TLT? TLT, time to shine. TLT, that's not shining. No, Husa was not a reverse split. It was like the new Indo. Like Husa just went moon mission. Let's see. 20 minutes left until market close here, folks. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate all the work and time you put in. Average Ape, I appreciate that, buddy. Now I'm sad, bro. You don't shout me out anymore. Tim, I always shout you out. Stop it. How much Hood could a Hood put if a Hood could put? Okay, that one got me. All right. Did you get recognized in real life yet? No, I'm very incognito. Nobody's recognized me ever. It's great. It's like not really what I want. It should be weird. Hey, you're the kid that trades stocks in a live stream. It's like, yeah, that's me. It would be weird. It would be the weirdest day. If that day ever comes, I'm going to be like, hi. It's just going to be weird. Tim, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I also feel like I'm not large enough to get recognized at all. Like, how many people do I have in here? 2,100 people? Like, that's not. Squirrel, stop it. I recognize you? True. But, like, nobody's also in my area or anything. No, you're the kid that skips class every day? Oh, I do that. My teachers definitely don't recognize me. Whoops. All right, so SPY's trying to get a little pop here. Did anything interesting happen? Nah, not really. Everyone's going to trip that you're tall? Yeah. I would just shout 1348 Discord. Dude, that would be great. I would get so hyped if you were just a Discord member and you saw me in person. I'd be like, let's go. Let's see. William, when have you ever heard me say, buy this, but not financial advice? No, I've never done that before. Every single time somebody asks me, I'm like, dude, I can't tell you that. William must not listen to the stream. Let's see here. I like that I can see deleted messages. Isn't it cool, Rance? Oh, Husa's coming back up over here. Where's oil right now? Oil. It's approaching 120. Next lower sport for the spot. I mean, 420 is probably going to be a decent level. Do you live off on campus or off? I live technically off. STV 1348. That would be pretty sweet. Just whisper 1348 in my ear at the supermarket checkout. Please don't whisper in my ear. Please don't do that. Do your parents know you skip class so much to be on YouTube? Yep. Oh, William, I'm sorry. I thought you were one of the shills. Maybe you are one of the shills. I don't know. I'm kind of William averse right now. Because like a lot of Williams have been coming in here and talking nonsense today. So if I see a little comment from a William, I might have to get a little spicy on you. Verizon held up nicely today. Turnaround Tuesday? Maybe. I learned to always play earnings one way only. No, that's just not what you've misinterpreted the teachings. Oh, you are the shill. Oh, you are the shill. We've unmasked the shill. All right. Have you ever lied to someone so you could stream and later that person saw you streaming and called you out for it? No. No, I'm always just like, I'm on the live stream. Let's see. Charles, thank you for the super buddy. Please explain how float sizes affect oil rips. Shouldn't. It just depends on how aggressive it could be with the move, and people are going to be buying. So it more has to do with like market dynamics than it does like oil moves. So if oil is going to move big and you have a low flow oil play and people start piling into it, it's probably going to move more than like an Exxon. That's just like a boatload of shares. feed. Who has earnings today? Nobody really. Oh, that one oil company does. I have wills. There's a lot of wills over here. Let's see. Crypto, I got no. I can't give you like a yes, do this. That's just not. You just bought 16 more AMC, says Subi Sickness. There you go, buddy. There, I changed it. STV's hairline. All right, William. Getting spicy over there. I see that. Do your real life friends ever ask if you want to hang out and you just link them the live stream? Like, sure? No. We at the bottom yet? Well, we've gone to 13 before in this. Well, here it goes. Amy down again. 15-19. Woo! Just because you bought AMC, I want to buy 5 more. I didn't do it. Subi did. All right. We got 15 minutes left, people. What are we going to get? $15 minutes to get on SSR. We need $14.91 to get there. Let's go. Jim, stop. SSR is nonsense. Absolute nonsense on SSR. Damn it. I have a joke. You know, it's not nonsense right now in terms of like SSRs. Just put a U in front of it. They're trying to get the band back together, and that's not good. Last minute play for today? Nothing. SV goes on metadates? No. Does your girlfriend recognize you in public? I'd say yes. I'd say yes. Was working and looked at my phone. Can't figure out what happened today. The market just took a number 2 all over the place. It was like they had like a bunch of Mexican and like Taco Bell and then just let it go. Can we ask you a question? Yes, that's what the live chat's for. Guys, also, if you don't mind, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Bed Bath Beyond 3 squeeze by now? What do you mean? Mullen ate Taco Bell? Uh-oh. We could say that now. Like when stocks just tank, we just say that they ate some Taco Bell. Yeah, Mullen ate a lot of Taco Bell just now. Jeez, man. From 122 to 98. Jeez. That's a lot. You want to join my clan? I don't have a clan. What is this? What's this clan stuff we're doing here? I don't get it. Amy selling, Spy selling. X ate all the Taco Bell. Good. Are we holding the Oxy calls overnight? I have an Oxy strangle. So this is the thing. I don't care which direction Oxy goes. I just want it to move big, up or down. I think it's going to be volatile. I think oil is going to be crazy. If news comes out overnight, which it typically does, you're going to see oil react off of it. So I don't care which way it goes. All right, let's see. Clash of Clans? I don't have a Clash of Clans. All right, we're not doing that cannot be allowed. That has to get timed out. BNA, we can't have that, buddy. That's too much there. Amy to SSR, so nothing can happen tomorrow. Yeah. Mullen, Taco Bell, Spy, Taco Bell all day long. All right. Did you wear a kilt? I don't wear kilts, bro. Elon laughing again? What'd he do? Spy at 420.69. Time to rip. Spy's at 420.46. 44. Oh, man. It's getting flickery over here. CEI Taco Bell. There we go. I want you to do this to other streamers too. Everybody in here right now, if you see a stock running, just tell them that the stock ate a bunch of Taco Bell and just see what they say. Like any other stock streamer, just like if you're watching them when I'm on break, just run in there and just be like, that stock right there ate a bunch of Taco Bell and see what they say. So we're playing X tomorrow? No, I'm not doing that. To get out of here. Wheat is dumping. Is it now? Sell off into the end of the day? Oh my Taco Bell. You want SPY 440 so you can buy puts? Right, but why can't you just
buy calls from here. I wouldn't personally. I think the market's going to flicker around and do some wildness, but SPY new lows. 11 minutes left. SPY making new lows over here. Let's see if it gets support at 420 or just cracks it and just gets sold really hard down through here. All right. Everything's probably selling. Lockheed's probably getting busted. Yeah, Lockheed's getting really busted over here. Oxy. Holding, man. Me, Kevin, too? Yeah. Just tell them that the stock ate Taco Bell. And then that's it. Apparently warrants on Oxy. Yeah, warrants is just like it's sort of like an option. It's sort of like an options contract. It's just issued by the company itself, not a market maker. Wheat right back to the trend line. Oh, that's fine then. That's fine. 419.99. What a sale on. Did it hit that? Wow. It bounced right off of that though. So a little bit of support over here. Close at 420.69, please. I don't think it will, but would you hold SPY put overnight? The only stuff I'm holding overnight is stuff that I have no care which direction it goes, except for Lockheed. I have Lockheed calls into next week. Because I think that thing's going to randomly just start to go again. Like just random, just boom. If we get some bad news overnight, it's just going to go. So it's a hedge is essentially what it is. It's just a hedge. And the technicals look good on it too. When Don Julio, we're going to need to see some big bumps up. And then I have an Oxy Strangle that I'm holding. Sir, I represent Taco Bell and you must cease and desist immediately. No. I can't say that stocks took a Taco Bell. This is free advertising. Johnny, I'm not saying do it now, buddy. I'm saying if you end up on somebody else's, do it. I wouldn't say go over and just be like, Taco Bell. Like, don't go over and just like yell Taco Bell at people. But that's a new term that we're coining. It's our term. We're going to say Taco Bell. Stocks are Taco Belling. Sir, this is a Wendy's. Not anymore. It's a Taco Bell. No, sir, this is not a, ma'am. This is not a Wendy's. With the market going down like this is the opposite of a Wendy's. This is a Taco Bell. You only have 2,957 X calls for tomorrow. That's drunk. Good luck. I hope it works. Every single cent move you make or lose, 29.57, if that's real. Taco Bell is the cheapest gas in the world. That's funny. Amy selling off. SPY holding on for dear life over here. I have the 50 and the 60 for the Oxy Strangle. Yeah, I saw that, Michael. Michael, that's funny. That's a funny comment there, Michael. Top tier comedy right there, pal. That's a good one. All right. So Amy right now, 15.10. Not a fun day over here for AMC. SPY coming down a little bit here. When Fed stepping in, stop it, Coral. I just, no. McDonald's put out a secret menu, but they named them all wrong. They did not. You can't call it that. Let's see. All right. Amy, 15.10 SPY. Trying to bounce up off of these lows over here. It's struggling, man. Why would you get the same Oxy Strangle now? The premium is jacked on it. The premium's insane. Don't do that. Don't do that. My calls and puts are green. You're overpaying. Don't stop it. This is why you don't follow things like after the fact. This is why I tell you after the fact, because typically it's over. You shouldn't be doing it now. Jared, thanks for the super buddy. I appreciate that. Or when the market goes red bearish, we should say the market is doing the Russian dance. Oh God. Oh God. Not a fun day for GME either. Definitely not a fun day for GME. GME is down 11.3. Amy's down 9. It's still selling. It's SPY new lows. Jesus. This guy talks too much. Fair. I do. But you listen. So Let's see. Let's see. Is it going to bounce here? It looks shitty. TLT rip. The TLT strangle could come into effect soon. Wow, there it goes. TLT on the way back up here. Micron puts 166%. There you go, man. Wheat getting red for another leg down. Oh boy. Too late. Was using house funds after my 340 SPY put cashed out. Don't stop it. Stop following me into random plays that don't fall around 1348 when I just have theories about oil. Like, come on. They're trying to break us. Screw them. I mean, that's why we have 1348. They can't break us. Literally. You get alerts on 5 stocks for free. All you got to do is click on it and sign up into the Discord. It costs you nothing. And then if you want to turbocharge it even more, you're good to go. But everybody should be in there doing it. That's the thing. It's like if you are worried about AMC right now and you have a little bit of extra cash in your account and you want to make that little amount a little bit bigger, 1348. It's easy. Done deal. Learn the strategy. You're good to go. Let's see. Exxon theory still working. Yeah, I sold out of the call side. I still have the put side on it. No, I know KPS, Fred. I know. I'm just getting spicy. I'm just feeling spicy. You're only 10% down? Damn. Good for you. Just got done with work. First chance to check in. What did I miss? The market ate a bunch of Taco Bell this morning. Making money is a distraction. Let's see. How's Oxy? The Strangle's still green. Or let me look. The Strangle should still be green. Yep, Strangle's still green. Taco Bell is a distraction. Let's see. Oxy was holding. It's still holding right now. Well, SPY's coming back up. I mean, Oxy was holding pretty good. Let's see. We got 3 minutes left to go. Great day to be an ape. It's always a good day to be an ape. TLT about to dump. It wouldn't make a lot of sense for it to dump. It just really wouldn't. I mean, this is just big shark fin on TLT right here. All right, people. 3 minutes left to go. Oxy is lagging Exxon. Yeah, but Oxy led the way on Friday, way up. So crude oil right now, 119.80. Brent, or that was WTI. Brent's at 123.41. AMC has an amazing weekend. We're down 10%. Are you new here, Daniel? Are you new here? Wow, they are shorting AMC today. Right, because like we know that's what they're doing. Let's see. All right, people. What do we got? 15.10, down 8%. Not fun. Not fun. Let's see. This is a falafel place? No. Thanks, SUV. Anytime, Henry. Turnaround Tuesday? Maybe. It's possible. Oil will be crazy tomorrow, too. News tonight will be full of gas stations lined up for blocks. I think so, too. I'm holding the Oxy Strangle just to see what happens. CVX. CVX coming up nicely. 1348 cross, right around 159, all the way up to 162. That's perfect right there. Textbook. There you go. You made money right here. 171% on Exxon. Damn, I think I took mine out at 160%. I'm not sure what the exact percentage was, though. TLT giveth, TLT taketh. Yep. Gas station sushi? No. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice would yell at you. You take oxygen just to see what happens? Stop. Please don't do that. 15.20 on AMC. SPY moving back down here. Oh, man. This is just selling hard. It's hard sell on the SPY. Damn. 1 minute left. Oh, 1 minute to go, people. All right, everybody. CEI call running 108%. Damn. There you go. It wasn't long ago that we were an oil exporter. Probably a little while ago. SPY Putin's printed today? Yes, sir, they did. Wow, they're still printing right now. Last minute, and SPY is just selling hard right now. You're up over 800% on 414 CHK calls. Is that Chesapeake Energy? That's really good. Good for you. Let's see. Don't worry, you're losing thousands on AMC. Come play 1348 and make 100 or 50,000 in a week or something like the other people in the gain section that people are making. Rusty Nail, sounds like you're not actually in the Discord, buddy. Sounds like you're a hater. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Here we go. Full market capitulation. Yeah, the whole market was on Taco Bell today. So, guys, Amy closed at 8:15:21. Rough day over here. We got some interesting news to talk about tonight. So that video will be coming out at 6. So make sure you guys have notifications turned on for the channel so you get notified when I go live and post videos. And if you guys are going to head out, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out. But special shout out to all the mods, all the new members and the members today. You guys are awesome. Again, we've been talking about it a lot. 1348, very, very solid strategy. I mean, if you want to go test it out, the link is right there to get some free alerts. Just try it out. Learn the strategy. It's the training wheel section, so you're not going to get everything that premium would give you, but you definitely need to test it out. You see all the people in live chat all the time, really, really succeeding with it. I mean, everybody can. It's not a hard strategy. We made it very, very simple, yet very effective. So, guys, we also are going to do that premium live stream tonight. So all you premium members, we should be in there for that a little bit later as well. So again, that is going to wrap up the live stream for today. Thank you guys for all being positive. That was a fun day. Other than that, guys, hit the like button on the way out and peace.